You see you? You back more. Give me back my 50 then.
What happened to you?
You put damn lie.
With-
You lie. You
With
lie.
what? I'm telling you lie with.
You talk about my woman over there, fight off people, me a pick me, come over there, and baby man. It's a damn lie.
And you lie me and tell a trouble remember their name.
Our man, me go over there go see, in cousin me go over there go see.
How much about us and then cause they're man? Yeah, idiot. Me tell you already.
And look at me. You know, say 2 bucks come out of figure.
No! Box me, Popeye! Box me! You know when you're in jail? You know when you're in prison? Box me, Popeye! Box me! Cause me good ass station and tell them, see you touch me, and when you don't touch me, they will lock you up. Cause me a woman, so me tell her that. Box me now? Box me. Me not tell her no lie. I told you know, say your woman over there, she tell lie bad, she not gonna tell her that.
So you want to tell me say my woman say lie?
See to me, I want thing with me. Me not tell lies. Me just look a bit enough. Me people tell her this. Me ever dey find people business. I am the JPS.
It's GPS.
GPS! Me and GPS. My GPS done broke down. Me find anybody right. So if you want me find your data, me can find your data right now. Can come yo.
All thing, boy, I don't know. Every day you watch people business, day in, day out. You know, nothing you have to do. You know, no jars you have to wash. Eh? You know, beard.
Me beard a bright every day. Me change my clothes.
You know,
Me beard.
You know, no man figure you some cucumber down your backside.
No, me not a man.
You did that walk up and watch people business and I can't fast news.
Who they can't fast news? Listen to me.
You're worse than Papa
And
news.
you are the little idiot. You're idiot, Papa, because every day you get up, you're the man, Miss Cherry. You're the man,
And my money. And my money.
I know you're baby in the belly. You're idiot.
And my child.
Where
And
you're too fool. You know no sense. Me say you should have my father hey I have box of it up your body. You know no sense, man. You know no sense. You worse than Trey. You worse than him. You have more sense than you and your friend.
Which part my friend could have more sense than me, and I mean always buying rum down there. So he might breed my stepdaughter and things like that. You chat too much.
You will be the stepdaughter. Me know I told me no. I told me now you that you give me money once a while. But you know that you be Chinese. But I told you can't talk everything one time you have to leave back something. Cause me not no more information I know. But say you want data and you breed Chinese. Yes, you breed Chinese. Awa, me not remember yet. No way about all me no. Press the word pronounce again. Press the word again. Press the word. GPS. Me can find anybody on the map.
I'm not GPS system, that's a Google.
Google. A Google?
A Google. Alright, you good? You alright?
Me alright, man. You
All
can't disturb me.
I'll buy you something. I'll buy you, yeah, you see, I stand today. Don't worry, this is tomorrow.
Yeah.
You check me and buy you anything you want for it. You want
Me
burger?
don't like come over here because your woman don't like me. Go over there one day.
No, you're welcome. Let's go over there and talk to her. You're welcome, yeah?
Alright, talk to her.
You're welcome. You alright? Sit down back where you there.
Can
Me
you
sorry,
right?
me box myself. Me shouldn't come up here. I can't say nothing to you.
Come can't disturb me.
Alright, easy, yeah? Easy Google. No problem.
Guys,
No people be your part.
come disturb people. Sis! Sis!
Hello, I would that come call me sis. Me rotted.
Hi!
No. Wait. Me glad to see you, but hold on, they turn up right there, so please and thank you. Hold on. I feel my sister this way left over 4 years gone for him.
How are you blind?
No, me want make sure say you because somehow not these guys, you know, self and not trick people. Where your name?
Yes, sir. Where me borrow my name?
No more make sure say
You don't see me, Red Bull.
Where we
You
mother
don't see me.
where we mother name?
You borrow my name. No, Angela.
Oh, are you? A long time me
Come,
not see you.
sis, come give me
up
a
here,
hug,
so
man.
come up here, so come up right there, so.
give me
You
a
can't get up my food. Me book on me food this morning when me a weed up the place. You miss me? Me say to you know, but me not tell you lie, you know, say I saw me stay August me born. Me have to tell you everything straight up.
And I November my born.
Yes. God Almighty, look how me living at the house. All long from you they suffer. And imagine you find the man on the beach. Gone with him a foreign. And not even a $50. Oh God. My sister. No, me not done. Me just start. Over 4 years. Eh? And not even want $20 in a cent come. Uncle that kill me down here. And yet they are foreign. So I wish
Mommy.
Minnie, come give me a hug. Got rubbish that chat.
I wish Breeze blow
I
here.
owe this.
My piece of sister we abandoned we from when and me and her and do and the whole we did pack up in like a sardine.
Stop telling you, man. Stop.
Remember her, but me just I wonder what she do you
Stop
know?
telling me this, so me abandon.
You abandoned the two of we. Me not even that same man. Look here.
Minnie, how you doing?
Me there here, I got
Rubbish,
through
yeah,
hard
chicken.
life.
Rubbish me a chat.
Yeah, I got
Look
you
here,
what?
me
The
know
hard
say.
life.
Hold on then, baby. You, me know your style. You is my sister. We come from the same home. Unless I know Angela, your mama. Let me tell you something. You go here foreign. Oh God, we don't hear not even one phone call. If you say if we are right or if we hungry. You there up there, the hyper take picture. I do this and I do that and I make be money. I sit around make you come back to Jamaica. Cause when they go on this plane, remember say you throw a stone behind you. I wish breeze blow your ass up. I walk and see.
Sis.
And you all have bag. I sit in your cafe me.
Sis, just relax yourself,
Okay,
man. I come,
come
me
up.
come back. I come, me say me come back.
Eh?
They I guess us other day and my money run out 2 days ago, so I come, me come back.
Hmm?
Me say I come, me come back.
You come back which part, yes, sir?
Give me a ear, scared and hear me. Me say I come, me come back.
How come you come back, yes, sir? Oh, Jesus Christ.
She a laugh, a prank, she a prank.
I joke him, mommy.
I joke him,
No,
mommy.
because true she a go so every minute. So
No,
me
because
have
me
to
have to
laugh.
hear
Me
you.
say I come, me come back, sis.
Because you will go live in then the luxury style there. Lavish
come. I
style.
come,
You
come
come
back.
back in the
So,
house
mommy,
there.
Come over foot now, come,
No,
me come
she
back.
say you wish he look like.
So one thing, man, and what you mean your money run out?
What on there?
Me wish look like him.
Minnie,
Me nobody want wish me look like him
why is that
again.
she there so now?
Say she wish she did look like you because you take her man.
Jeez! I them a see me here tell me little niece. I them a saw me here tell me little niece.
And me tell
You know,
her.
so for a longer time, me know your mouth stay.
Yes.
For a longer time, me know your mouth stay.
Very
You
saucy.
fi stop here, no? You fi stop here.
Because what? I do want Tracy, you just come here. And me not tell if you come in, you tell you take up back come in. And not want sardine, you know, send come
Sister,
you.
I feel like me, I know your thing already.
So me ask
me
you one
soon
question.
get some
Look here.
money.
Me never know say I did that with my man for you. Me not me too you say you know me can't prove it, but I'm a man me hear the ball out your name nicely. But oh, take time do what? What
Which
you
man?
do?
Which man? The
Me
man
man.
we are there with now.
The man we me did there with for a long time and he me still there with and the whole of we did pack up in
Hello,
with
hello,
me
hello.
daughter.
Kaka, yes, go run yourself.
No, she no lick up me again like when I left her. She had
So-
19, they go 20.
So we are still at there.
Same reason why you
You're
come
older
back
than
here.
her. You're
The
older than
same
her.
reason why you come back here,
Oh,
but
hello.
here.
You're older than her. So if my daughter 19 and she under my roof, although she should have gone for her own, you are how much?
30.
And you still they come back at your sister place, you know what list, and then when they are foreign.
So.
I can't tell you your money run
Man,
out.
you live with that, so.
The same man.
Anyways, mommy, me nah cut to no,
Anyway,
but
come in, come in. I want you
Me
look bad.
can't,
Come
me
in, I know
can't.
what happened to you. Come, you can't stay, but I feel how long you want and for.
I can't go down the road.
One man, remember say you're not baby again in your underage. No police can lock me up here. Go
Alright,
where
me
they
so
go.
come back.
As we come along the road, I was sweet on the road.
Make
so.
she
You
go
gotta
on.
check somebody.
How you go?
You go on a tray.
Go away. Go away.
Run a tray.
Shanice, we out there they whisper say to your dirty poop and me hear your voice, you know. One of the talk
See
say.
me. Go on here.
Alright.
Listen to me. No do nothing.
What you mean?
No.
What you mean by?
No do nothing.
Tell me so come back.
Just go visit. I lie.
This is what I said, man.
I lie.
Change man, half it.
You're
One at a
looking
time.
good.
Thank you, sir.
You look like you make a wrong choice.
Tell her no, me not change man often, one at a time. I don't know she can go like she don't know you. And she-
I look so.
Look for me. Read me lip. Yeah.
Oh, you just whisper say.
Me say things that hungry that kill me.
Yes, enough. Remember that?
So when you
time.
come, you
Me
could
just come, me
you
yeah,
could
guess
see me
so.
on the road first before you come here, so. Eh?
Where you look now? Where you look?
Money.
My son money are coming. Some money coming. Me give some, me give my sister some, and my niece some, but me not the money alone.
I hope I'm not bad.
That's what let's say because me and my wife to be would like to chill at the hotel with you. You can book us
Yeah, we soon go hotel.
when?
Soon.
So that they are see so them come.
Me come back. Me come back. Yes, so me a stay.
What you mean by your comeback?
Babes.
Me come back for stay.
Brock! No, see me!
Me come back for stay. What you say me do? Broke? Me not broke. Me come back for
A
stay.
fiver with you already. You can't take another
I
one.
never said that.
You are two. Your daughter are
I
two.
know that me
Yeah,
say, what do you inform? I me not say that.
What you
Me
say? So.
Wait, they not with me. I gonna talk later. Me not say that, man. I know that me say.
No, this
I know
is
that me say. I know that me say. And my sister, she have money. You there?
a prank.
Me go talk later. Remember say if you go to the road and sitting. Yeah. And the lady this so if you come down and here. Where you say no? No, me man no drink rum again. No do that. The NSC. Go on. Go on where you go.
Sit down here.
So you want him to say she come back down? Eh? Come back down. I'm think out. You don't see me. She's gonna fall.
Babes. The girl come back with be dirty clothes. What me say, pure dirty clothes, no money. She have her stupid mouth. There, so they tell me what one make she come. God Almighty, a one you come. And they tell me no money done and she get a hotel, so she have to come stay.
So a royalton ain't done the money.
Don't know.
A royalton.
Too loud, man.
No, me begs.
Me vex too.
No, let me tell you
And
something
the
now.
sister, me can't put
Let
her
me
out
tell you
and
something now. Remember that $1,000 we used to start finding her. And that look like we got a chance to find she gonna know so she used to have enough. And 6 eggs she wanna eat.
Maga people need enough and they not get fun.
And me not inna it. All my box milk them. You see how they enough up in the fridge now? Watch by your morning.
Oh God.
Watch by your
No,
morning.
look here now. Me no want to ask her. She feel no like how me sister. You ask her say, how long she have to stay here?
Aye.
But no ask her now. Do. No.
No, me answer no. Rebel!
Jesus Christ.
Rebel!
How you call up in here so far?
No, man. I think run through my mind a while ago.
How happened?
Hmm?
How? What run through your mind?
And when you fly to go back over far,
I want more just stay for.
for Jesus, me not there. Me are running belly. 1 month. 1 month. Lord of God, we need to buy some headache pills. 1 month. 1 month. Eh? 1 month. 1
Me
month.
no say you chat me.
No, me not say nothing about you.
Think me no say you chat me.
Why me attack
Why
you?
you chat me for?
Me fi chat my sister.
You think me no say you chat me?
No, me not chat you. He
So
just say
what make
ask
him
me
have to
how
ask me?
long you gonna stay. So me said me no know him better him ask him. That I not chat. I not chat that. He ask me something, so me say no ask me ask you. Are you fi know how long you come fi
It's
stay for?
alright. Me have enough things to show you when me there live overseas.
And when you did the here, you see the size where the bed did be? You know, the bigger size there again, the bed get smaller, so I don't know how we go one. And me not go on no ground.
So your man can sleep on the ground?
No, me can't do that. And my husband to be and the bed shrinking no big so again, so you have to go make up bed on the floor. Me can't, me not.
On the floor?
But
Me, Rebel, on the floor.
But me can't do there something every time too. You and my family. Me
No,
and,
sis.
me and my family gone pan bed and me put man on ground. No, me can't put my
on
man
the
on
tough
ground.
ground. And me there overseas, me never sleep on ground. You must see me mad. Alright, that's what me I see side of you.
So where for your money there?
Bitch me I itch upside of you.
How are you? Yeah, I got the yard.
So me not have a right to come and baby father yard. When there?
Where's your baby father?
Him there in our house.
Why your baby father? No, it's a prank. A prank. Why your baby father?
Oh, you a red girl and say half. Okay, when me baby father, then you me come to. Lock chat,
In the
lock
day, yeah.
chat, and what you mean by in the day? Now you slip as that.
If you come to me, I will come to me too. Where was you?
Call Trey. I try me come to honor you. Come to me.
How old is ya?
Huh?
How old is ya?
Answer a question.
Mm.
Who may be to
I don't
you?
know him. I don't know him. I know you. I don't know one another.
No.
You don't want to know that. What you mean by
Maybe
baby
I
father?
don't know that.
What you mean by baby father?
Oh.
Hello. Oh, what this man Jesus me a
Well, I left my bag in
Oi,
the house. I
oi.
left my bag.
Oh,
I left my bag. Well, I'm going to go for my bag now. Bag now.
Trey.
Hmm?
How go on? You. What you do back here?
what do you mean by we made back here?
What you do here? One woman. You know my father did they?
See, you may tell us.
My baby father right there, son.
My baby father, your baby father.
What going on, sir?
We are taking same man.
No, go on.
What?
So who she? Me name beat and send her home. I want the land back.
Never touch me any wife.
When you come,
Yeah,
you're the
I'm
wife
wife.
and look by your head.
I'm going.
Look by your head as the wife. I want the land back over here.
Yeah, so
Oh, wait, what you can try?
When the land back over here.
What I can do?
When did you land back
What
over
I
here?
can do?
What going
Man,
on?
hello.
Go to
Yo, Tay. That's what this no? That's what that no?
Come, take one.
That's what. Oh, you come out from veranda. Oh, come out from the veranda.
Come back here to cousin and go.
Girl.
Come out from the veranda. Don't come out here.
My God.
I can't they come.
How will you help me, sir?
What you mean by?
I don't care. Let's
Oh, you come
Let me
out.
ask you something.
Hello.
You make hungry belly people. I'm
Hello.
not talk to you in a red mist. I'm not chat to you.
Come out from the yard that me say.
Show me the papers.
Come out from the yard.
Show me the papers.
Come out from the
Show
yard.
me the papers.
Hello. Come out from the
Show me
yard.
the papers.
Come out from the yard.
No! No!
On the top! More front eye! Come on, eye! Jesus Christ, you can't fight at all!
No! Man, I kill him.
Come on, any people in war! You're not on them! You're there to be for them! No!
On the
I
top!
took my phone now, word!
Keep it in there, belly.
No! No!
Where's that boy?
Boy, yeah. Let me finish the yeah.
One!
Come on, again.
Papa, I want to see this!
Hold me back.
One!
Hold me back.
Hey, girl, come on, from the yard. I feel it on
Come on to the German yard!
Go on, you see you? That problem, you girl!
Papa, I want to see this! You want to see Popeye? Popeye, I miss this one yard.
Look at that war! Why? Can't too tarry long, you know. That's how you born. Can't too tarry long, come say, my man say. I'll stay on the road long, you know. I'm going to bring her something, eh?
Who you tell?
No, man.
Which one of them? Are you full of woman, you know?
Me? I want no man, me have. One man. What you talk about?
Shanice.
Who?
Shanice.
What name, so? I don't know name, so, brother.
No plug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What kind of punk you talk about, Betty?
Plug, man, a plug. A plug.
Nothing. Hey, don't touch me dice. You see me bad.
I wrong. I promise 2 months I'm not drink again, you know.
Just listen it before you go back. Get some shoppy there, though. Yeah, shoppy can get some mint sweet. You know, so yeah, 6. Are you that?
Daddy, where you there so
You
with
say,
him?
yo, it's a girl.
Where you there so with after me go up there and have to tell him say me want something to eat because the baby hungry. He might tell me say he don't know me.
What kind of man you be?
What you mean by it? This a girl that come to me about how if me can remember him with the hungry belly pig.
So you're not here today?
Me,
You're
and
not out of your house, me come to car one time.
me, I never see this girl before, brother. You know her from? When I rum make you think me know her, brother. Top drink. You don't like every top drink? Keep.
Daddy,
Come here, keep rum. You.
come go over.
Yeah.
Don't sit on your to say with him. Anything in money buy a come with him. Make your woman buy you. Get up.
Me a big man, you know.
We going
How
over.
my money by the rum?
And your money come. He don't have no money.
How you know that?
Cause the hungry belly pit me want something yam.
You
Get
never
up.
find a hungry belly baby father.
Then you don't.
Hello, why me last? Why me last to all of
Me
this?
go up there, me tell him some more money, and him say him don't know me.
Then if somebody
tell
come
it
and
to
buy
us.
you out money, I'm not having me go, so I don't know you to come straight. I don't understand what you're trying
You
to
know
say.
you're idiot.
A big man, you're not call idiot.
Yes, can you get me
You know how
cross?
idiot spell? Huh? Idiot spell E-D-I-O-T-T-Y. Idiot. So I don't know what you're going to talk about me, an idiot.
I she me just about tell her say she run down for me.
Me a go over, me nah lift you.
And I give me some lick.
Alex, oh.
Me a go over, me nah lift you. Me make you come over here.
Now you come back and see we.
Listen,
Me make Cherry come over here for you.
whether candy, cherry juice, lime juice, whatever juice,
Plum juice.
this have to finish first. We can't go over this smell, so you idiot.
Me go tell.
Hey, come here, come here.
No call me. Me say be come.
Come here, let's go over the check. Wow, you remember that? So go on.
Missy P, asa pa you supu tulipu ala pa yele po.
Oh, she said she's so.
I want to taxi.
What you tell him say?
Because.
Me le pi ala pa yele po tulipu ala pa sele pe.
Oh, she said she's a thief.
So look at.
Me le pi ala pa yele po tulipu sele pe ala pa me le pi tulipu.
So me check out.
Oh, she said she.
What you tell him for me a sefa?
So why me would have take up a woman that chat and I don't know why my chat say.
It's hard, but you have to learn the language.
You're mad. I can't. Ma mix me.
Me le pi ala pa yele po tulipu sele pe ala pa me le pi tulipu. Wait till you come in.
Oh, she said she do it for herself.
Oh, say man go back go clean.
Roll dice.
Roll dice too.
I don't know what kind of language them there.
But you understand some.
We don't put two words in it. Inside long, but
Well,
let's
I
put
don't
it
know
short.
if the man rum poil or what.
Wow.
The rum tastes like a some medicine, brother.
Yo, they're going to fresh up and go me out.
I press up.
You want to share?
Oh, remember I mean sweetie.
Me good, me fresh up and me not just.
I hide going and brush your teeth, my boy.
I don't care.
Well, me go all left this room and I can. I like how it tastes either. Alright, go. Shoppy!
I got to pay you. Me gone.
Shoppy, oi! How much me have for you?
Yo, Chippy.
How about what? Jesus.
How are you?
No, man, me and me friend there have a drink. I just walk out because my daughter interrupt the argument. One thing.
I'm hungry.
Me didn't know. God know. Me didn't know. Why,
Yeah.
what?
Me,
Why every time I see you hungry, you never one day yet come out and you know, so my belly full. I just,
because me always hungry, me have to defend my food.
you ever wonder why you're always hungry? You ever wonder why you're always hungry?
You never hungry?
Oh. Me? Me know if you hold my belly.
Well, me don't know if you hold mine.
No woman now gonna know how to hold them belly. Some of the woman on a licky. I will just
How you
can't
call
eat.
licky?
I will just can't eat.
Me
And I'm
say
still hungry.
who ya call licky?
I want to give your belly. Now licky.
What is that?
Why give your belly? Licky. When you licky. Me and you there. And you make a next man breathe you. Oh, you fool, sir.
How you fool so?
Are you fool? Clear now.
And where you come from?
Me a come from the road.
Why every time people business up, you ready and know what I want? Where you doing that people business? Yeah, what? You have to stop it. No.
GPS up town. You know, let the little girl alone. You know, all after the disgrace for happen on the road. You know, take it to leave her alone.
Why me feel leave my woman alone? I see I give me a little warm up sometime when my woman.
Talk to Cherry.
Cherry, I get too old now.
To her?
But
Nothing.
you
Can you
know,
talk
She
too
get
much?
too old. She get too old, she can't beat you. You know, get old too.
Who?
You're not young. You're
How you
old
see
man.
me that young?
All you me don't know you seen old people.
Me look old to you. Tell her.
Where you seen a people business.
Tell her.
Where you seen a people business.
Me know everything me see that people business.
Okay, well, me see everything in a old people.
Everything I seen old man.
Mm-hmm.
In all I don't have no money.
How you know that?
Cause you're dead for you have to come around come find him. If you have a money man supposed to come find him, so all you breathe, supposed to come here come look for you.
You can answer a question.
What?
You find time
Uh-huh.
for inner people business and inner people argument. You know have a man in your yard.
No! Cause it's that me no want a man because man a crosses. Cause that's why you like out there give me bun.
And me a crosses.
Yeah, crosses if I know that.
And me a... You ever see them do Jesus on the cross yet? Eh?
No, me never did it.
So when you call me crosses, it remind me
Hello.
when them put Jesus on the cross
Hello.
and Jesus resurrected.
Hello!
You
No,
want to
hello,
be
me.
son.
Son at.
So
And
go on now.
Go on.
Who stop you?
I now feel your belly, you know. You go
So
on.
go on. You need a punch for a man to
I
speak.
now feel your
Breathe
belly.
me.
Go look at work. If you don't have a work, you have to splurge for a man. You should
Listen,
I know him. I breathe.
my body cannot do any
After the
job.
chair this. I'm not chair this.
You know what
Yeah, again.
yourself.
But I chair breed are.
Oh, you
You're
know
too
that.
full.
I did in my room.
Mama,
Me see you.
to the
I'm
left.
in here when you talk about it.
Me can't bother with you.
If
To the
I
left.
just say here when you...
To the left. To the left.
Shut up, me attack.
To the left. To the left.
Move,
to the
man.
Left. To the left.
It is up.
Me can't feed it today. Nothing there. Check me one another day. To the left.
Me I come right back. No worry
To the
yourself.
left. To the left. You know.
No problem.
You.
But you took up my eye. Stop now.
You. Me not to pay. Me not pay that no man. You me attack.
Yes.
Listen, you know.
Yeah.
How me can't know your business?
Me not no business. I'm an open book.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your open book.
Yes.
What's right in your chapter?
Well, not no right thing. They not start yet.
You see like how you blank?
Yeah.
Take your ass one up the road and come out of people's business. Somebody go and cuff you one day, you know. Somebody go and cuff you one
Nobody
day.
can cuff me. You think I like when a woman beat me up this? Me a plan to share sheet with all our data.
Go on, go on. You go on. You feel like you go. Not to rate no want you. Go on.
Me not want to react.
Go on.
If you be shame yourself.
Shame on who?
What
Me,
if you here?
me shame on you too.
If you shame on me.
Because you're enough. You're enough. You fast too much. God.
You don't know what say. Me have one party to go. And mother want you to come. Me know you don't have no money, you know. But me have keep out to buy money and buy the ticket for you to away.
But. The man defa.
What you mean, my man? There?
Come nice, girl. We are talking about. Come nice.
Look how you look
Oh,
how
very
you,
nice,
you
nigga.
look how you nice and you come from foreign.
Eh.
Eh?
You can't get some. Go inside.
No, man.
Man,
Dress up
you
and
outside,
go to the
man.
road and now. Tap you know, see me sister, this one make you excuse.
And I say we have one reason. I could have passed and said,
You're one young girl. You know young girl. You're big woman, you know.
So, you must have respect. That is my sister. And you come and I can't touch me like
When
that.
him did their foreigner take film, cucumber, nobody there disturb him. I feel like me ready now. That's how me top
Nobody-
drink rum because.
You don't disturb them, so. you
More
feel
water,
like-
baby, head.
No, man. Right now, the baby not thirsty. Me want to walk out the road because we have something to go sort out. Yeah,
So
she did.
why else when they come in and no, you want walk,
No,
walk?
and she tell me say she did fi go check one woman before she come down and we had this some money where she did fi get, so me fi follow her, so me ask her
Are
over.
you?
Yes.
All right, go on, come and wait for you, yeah?
Yeah, me soon
We
come
are
back.
going
Put
to
on the
spend
pot.
money and come back. You know what's my money too?
Mm.
I mean, you love money.
Not anymore, darling. Not anymore. Not anymore. We done it now. Chinese, you come here.
You lie, you
You,
fat.
you come here. You come here. Ha, me want to know where they really gone. No man call your mother since the God.
Mm-hmm.
And your mama, you know, you not go pick up you, you know.
If you sleep, me I sleep from there.
Well, make I tell you something. Your mother don't know yet, but make me tell your friend no. You see a auntie, a family go through that. And you know you
That's
can't,
my true, you want?
you know you can't talk. Because your mother not even know say a family picnic that's in your belly yet, you know. So any day, you find out the two how we cook. And when we say cook, we don't mind the light. You understand? So you say if you see your auntie and me a move away, keep your mouth shut. Good. Me not there.
So suppose me not keep my mouth shut.
If you don't keep your mouth shut, we dead.
Why?
Go down your father this time. I mean it.
See, girl, I want to tell about from yesterday. This are the girl will come down on me yard with this a little picnic. I can't chat about say, my man own this a picnic without paper too, but a document, a DNA. I should have tear up it. Me give her back figure give her mama. When me look, she come back with her ma. Ma come in on me yard want come warn me.
Then I'm baby father.
Me
You're
get-
going to tell I'm baby father.
Baby father.
Answer me now.
Me
Me
get-
as a woman.
Oi.
Oi.
When you talk to me low your voice,
You
think I know the dog right
Yeah,
now,
hold
lower
on there,
your
hold on
voice.
there. Hold on there. Where you just say?
You think say like the first time when they did beat me and everything did go good and everything like
Girl,
that.
what about
I'm
that?
beat you
What
again.
about
Go
that?
see
I
father.
will
What
beat
about that?
you
When they
again.
like it, yes I know I'm go down
What
there.
about that then?
I will
Good on
beat
way.
you again.
Come on.
Take your
Good
talk
on
to your
which
talk
part?
to me good.
No. You're not good on there. No.
No.
Enough for me money
Where
I
am I
did go.
going?
This is my sister. I did before this Anna.
The
Where
man
they go?
won ya.
Of course, he have to own me. Any of my man this one, you must be on me back. He
Let
can't
me
do
tell me
that.
where lady.
How she go? How she go?
Lady.
How she go?
Lady.
Where they go down
Me
on
I
me money?
beg you do. Me I beg you do. Me I try say me can get my good money for
I
my
tie
picnic
your time, me
and
man, hour.
everything. How me fi time and he live with you?
And what you tell me man say? I want
I'm
my
a
man tell
baby
you say.
father. I'm a
Baby
baby
father.
daddy.
Me cannot prove that. And even if I your baby father, until you say short a front. Eh?
Then how you go find mine?
Are you?
How you go find
No
me?
loyal to your man and hide and go do right with me man. For money and your breed. I want one night standing tell me. You come go and like your
So
man.
everything man say you believe that?
Yes, I'm my man.
You're
Me not tell me no
foolish.
lie.
You're fool. Go have
Foolish
one
like
baby
your
man leave
dirty
me alone.
pooper.
Me I go down there. Me I go down there with me picnic when they like it. Yes or no? Okay. I'm a picnic I just touch.
Hey girl.
How you have push
Me I
this
go down
sister
there
so
with me picnic when I don't like it. Yes
Hey,
or
girl.
no?
Hey, girl, come start from bust of your face.
Watch out.
Come start on here.
I hold this girl. I'm not even know her from
Come out
Adam.
on my face.
One, two, no.
Yes, I eat that girl. Your man go take up and breed.
Me I go collect me picnic maintenance. You're lucky.
And this a girl. Your man take up and go
Let me
breed.
go. Rubbish.
Sis, come on, no eat that girl alone. Come.
Galang, come see no down there. Galang,
Galang.
door lock. Galang. Dog shit on your mouth.
That's a puppy show.
Galang idiot.
Well, I'm going to pick the team and tell him about the jacket or your game.
Hey, girl, that's my nice clean
Go ahead.
A bunny
Hey,
yo.
can I see my nice clean
Look how you show off. I show off so they show off and I go down on me yard for nothing at all. Me show the bone give the dog. Nothing down the for you. I'm drunk, bro. Papa, I don't want you. Cause it's a good here. It's all left it for you. Dirty girl. Leave me man alone.
lift up.
Watch your go bed. Go bed and go brush your dirty teeth and you from morning. Look how you big and fat and look how you pick the maga. You then your mouth whole like
Sister, come on in and see
look
that.
how you look like a son big old dirty cow. Me no know. Are you sit down pan papa or papa sit down pan and breed? Look how you big and heavy.
boy.
Elephant body girl, you can't talk to me. Go away.
Come on,
Grab me.
come here.
Idiot. Papa is not going to let me and come to you. He could have breed you 10 million times. Papa is mine. I feel me hood. I'm not a pussy. And my hood, you not get your lend me lend you eat because my front is tired. What?
Lord
So my
Jesus,
front
I
is tired.
know. Me miss him, man. Look how flang me around. Who dead? He just burn me.
How are this?
Kayla,
What happened?
I wish do you exist too.
I miss me around from me miss the fight.
Miss which fight? You used to fight along down here?
Yes, me hear. Me say me hear me 2 years then.
Oh, yes.
Me hear your mouth.
The lady over there, so remember so when we the past ended a quarrel.
Are you customer?
Me! When we are going to people business go do? You see how you
on.
damn blast
Me
it
know
fast?
your vice.
Sister, I really mix up. Come on,
Me know your
come on.
vice.
You see how you fast?
on,
You
sis.
hear people that cuss and think of
say,
me. You're a wicked little girl. New carrier.
Hilltop. I
CBN.
hear your mouth.
TVJ, come out of people business and not film him out your ear is a damn liar. Mix up. I care you want to name to Popeye.
No.
He no money figure you call.
Me hear pan it about Popeye something.
Who?
Me hear pan
Popeye something what? Where you hear something what?
But
Popeye
to me,
something.
I look up at me and say the word. She know what I mean. That your mouth me ear. Nobody else now cussing Popeye like that.
What little pitney? You want
So,
little pitney?
let me ask you something. If you are a little pitney and you hear big somebody, I talk about man private, how that concern you?
I never meet you if you shout out in the neighborhood. Me there pan the hilltop around and come and hear you talk about Popeye.
You know say when you the little your mama give you too much chicken batty for them? You name too much, you chat too much, you care too much news. Don't mix me up and tell a lie for me. Me and nobody never the quarrel. He's a liar. Come on.
Who this
Much
ya?
mix up here, you know. So much mix up then.
Who she? Me don't know her.
How is she?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know
I
in
want a
due time.
Popeye baby mother. Go and go tell
Oh.
Popeye. You mix up like a one. Me no know her
Next
from
news,
nowhere. I
Popeye
first
baby
me I
mother.
see her. Me and her
Sis,
run
come
on
on
nothing.
now.
Me and her run on nothing. I first me I see her. So you can go tell the whole world now. A matter of fact is Popeye's sister.
Papa, sister. Papa is too ugly to have a good looking sister like that.
Boy, if you are wigworm. Don't come cat. Yeah, we are just saying man ugly, you dirty little wretch. If I ever catch you, you see if you are insect.
Why? I don't watch a jaw scratches them.
Watch you. You know, no jaw scratches. You have jaws, but no scratches no in there.
Every time this woman a book you up on road. Like this lonely. Like living truth. Finally,
Finally.
in their yard.
Look
Good
how-
evening, sir.
Good evening. What's here? What's here?
What happened to me? See a nice daughter here. Yeah. Yeah.
Pachina, let me tell you something.
Mhm.
When they know you, me not if you pregnant, you share my pity.
Nobody come with
Well,
that.
prove that. How you look?
Nobody come.
Offering money you want?
Yeah, you know Jesus.
How
Nobody
you
come.
try if you do? Pin pity for me, after me a stress already. A yard, yeah.
You
Look how long you left me.
Look pan the pitney. Look pan him. I feel your daughter 14 years ago. From 14. Look pan her.
Yeah, I'm my pity, and I know you choose to carry my pity come give me.
So you know you have your woman in your yard. What you want me to do? And you notice, you don't even believe what me I got you.
No,
Every day the woman see me beat me. He try to feel an argument with me.
my woman beat you.
You deaf?
And I force you to tell me that.
Every day me come up here, me send her up here in
How
running
much time you come
out.
on my yard?
2 times.
2 times you come on my yard. You sure you come on my yard 2 times around a man yard you go when you tell him
And this
everything.
yard and I say my look cracky and everything.
And you come and call my place cracky and you want to come live here. And you want to come live here and call my place cracky.
Hey, nobody
Yeah.
talk to me, please. So listen what
You
I
go
want
left yes so until you can show me proof, DNA, anything, or what they call it. And that in what meaning that? That is not available? Well, me not available.
No problem. Me will get to your DNA and everything, but me sure say I feel Pitney, I feel him, I feel baby this year, and your blood this. Our word on the street is that the one with the anyways. Me not say nothing but words on the
Let me tell you
street.
this, me have a mad man live with.
Me know because see there, look on my finger. Look on my finger. How are this? How are this?
Who's
Yeah.
come to
Me have a
show?
cousin named
And
there.
everybody wanna put the
Me look
blame
for
on me.
Me have a cousin.
Which
Jesus
cousin?
Christ,
Stop
I wanna
the lie.
I wanna
Let
go on
them
in a
know
me yard,
cousin.
so.
Are you pick
What?
me? And me are your woman where you sleep
Same.
with.
You don't love your life, you idiot?
My business, he beat me all the time.
You know,
Me
see
tired of
this
this
same
now.
girl we see up the road, and she really come down here for you.
So what me fi do? No, me pick the maintenance me come for. Me tired of it.
Yes, I look like a family court to you. What you mean you come for pick the maintenance?
I too on a family court and family
You
court.
know, stop be nice. Kid man. Nice too.
Hello. Me not in a no long talking now. Me not come fight you, me love. Cause me never fight you yet.
How
And
big you do?
Who never fight me? You beat me. You run me to your yard. You pitch me down. You do all type of and lick me daughter.
girl, you know me?
We ever lick you?
My first ask me. Me and you ever fight? Come out of me yard and go about it.
We know you.
Me know you.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
Me know you.
Me come back with proof of everything. Cause this one must take his spot in a feel like
Little
when you
girl,
like it.
you know me?
Yes or no?
My first ask me.
I first ask him.
She,
Thank you.
Your teacher pick if you tell like you lie like your mama cause you just say no
I am
and no
out
you
for
say
2
yes.
months. You know we?
You know we? My first oh no come out of me yard and
Me
go
not
on this
come
part to now go.
Me a come back.
Come back
Just
when?
make sure say no. Say me a
Why?
come back.
And
Boy,
that-
I feel him.
Call the police. Go on where you go.
I must mix up.
Yes,
a
sir.
bag,
Go
I be a
up on
drum,
road.
you put me
Look
sister
at
in
the
a
picnic pad. Dirty
man.
jankro.
A jacket.
Jacket.
But yeah,
He cut 2 feet door.
I must buck
Fia
you.
kwa. Go ahead. Go
I
on this part
must
to the
buck
go.
you on the road.
God forbid you
Boy,
shall
girl,
never do
I
me
buck you
nothing.
too. Boy, buck
You shall never do me nothing.
Papa,
Look
your
at you.
time I run short, you know.
Look at
Me a
you.
Come back
Look at you.
with the
Come
proof.
back your foot.
See me? And
Look
you
at
will
you.
take up residency in a that house, then whether she like it, yes or no.
Resi who dance with she?
Yes.
Resi who dance with she?
No,
You
no,
know
you
Shepherd?
know somebody, you know somebody dance.
Sis.
It's a rest.
Why you so
She have a
baga?
rest. She have a rest. You know what a rest is
I
then?
must do a cemetery.
Yeah,
she got rest on the
somewhere.
cemetery.
Yeah.
Oh, go on! Cause your family them down there
Oh,
will
you
long
so
I see them
baga.
called Vagabond. Generation of
baga.
vipers. You know come back in the yard.
Man.
Hello. You see you? Come here.
No.
I want this. Where you going with yourself?
Cheating.
You make girl come in and me
No,
yard and
no,
go tell about say feel pitney.
Why you so me?
I
Where you
don't
going
mind.
with?
I don't mind. Actually,
I too many want bust your ass.
Mister.
Which Shani said that?
No.
She look like she ever breed from
No,
she born
no.
around the one little baby when I belly.
No.
You say you mix up your drink rum before you come over here?
No, baby, no.
I told me they want shame in front of a little dirty girl which about say you and her baby father.
Watch him.
So you really be breed the girl fit you a feel pitney, you know? You know what I say?
breed that.
Although you hear me they go
Me
on
fucking
so.
good. Me look like me love fluffy. Me breed that.
Look here.
Me breed that.
If you never know, I first truth me go tell you from me know you. You hear about over 19 years me know you. Everything when me tell you I did lie. The first truth when me go tell you now, me not tell you lie. The pitney favor you, but you not come out here and go to her again.
No.
Dead stamp pie, watch him.
He dead stamp
No,
you, you young dog.
Enough for me.
I told me no want the girl come go on like I say she can't get
it.
it. Me will bust up her face, tell your baby mother say, me say if she think she bad, put back her two little dirty
You not
skeleton
gonna
in
do
the
it.
yard.
Never
She
gonna
not
come
gonna
back.
do
You
it.
not gonna come back.
So-
No cook.
Let me ask you a question. When you tell me say I did one night stand, I wish what you did go do it. Hotel or motel?
In a bush.
In a bush? What a worthless girl so hands must in your mouth her crutches.
Yeah.
But me like how you love joke a bush with girl. Cause the first time me meet member say a bush you did do it. Oh, but no hands never bite me. I want dirty man.
And should have bite
Me
because they
gone.
are dirty to more bush.
Hey.
You nice in a bush. You idiot courage catch you in there.
Go on talk to you. Go on talk to you. Shanice. Excuse me. Hello. Look, you can't lick your man. Yeah, you get? What you looking for?
Let me tell you something. You see, any day, the hear some girl come here and say, one more sitting about you, and some idea. Nonsense.
Okay, me no want nobody to follow me. Jesus.
Alama king alama ashalamala lisa wale
Master Buddha. Me say,
mix up your combo.
yeah man, big drama. Me I tell you yesterday, me miss one fight. Me miss people them busy, so me don't know what wrong. Something go wrong, man.
Come here.
Me miss people them business. They almost in our work. Eh? Yeah man, woke up his feet. Yeah man, Jesus. Lord! Whoa! Me head, man. Me say, more about papaya and Miss Cherry business, man. Want everybody business. Yesterday, I want new girl coming at the lane. I mean, I know her. No know where she come from.
Where new girl name? Pinky.
No, man. Me no know if a Pinky name. You know, mention Pinky to me, man. Me no like Pinky, man.
I like Pinky.
No, man. Me I tell you, say no. Pinky there with this black youth named Che. And I tell you, say, man, beat up Pinky. Pinky, I eat there. No mention Pinky. Pinky, no sense. Pinky, no sense.
And you come for your people business.
People business.
People business.
People business.
People business. What you want to know?
Want to know everything me want to know. Me don't miss nothing.
You have one friend named Pinky there.
Eh, what do you mean?
She just leave.
Eh?
She just leave.
Pinky, come here. Oh, she come here for?
Pinky come about one boy named Che.
Hey! I want chat.
Say try take Trish. And he want him for himself. He want him for himself.
That little girl really come out here. You not tell Pinky to come here.
So I'm fixing business.
Oh! You give him something?
Yeah, I give him 2 aisle. One I let her set her free and one a long distance relationship.
We have to go chat. We have to chat about this.
So you say Pinky now. She just left, you come. Mix up.
You not tell nobody say me come here like you tell me say Pinky come here.
Yella, the GPS shall work.
Yeah, my Jesus!
Work. Leave
Whoa!
the premises and don't come back.
Alright, me not. Me
Don't
nah
look
come
back.
back. Oh, me nah look back. Me nah-
Don't look back.
Oh, alright. Me nah look back.
You
Thank
shall
you.
leave.
Churchy, pull that cherry, do watch it.
Papai! Papai! Papai!
Awa.
Papai, come to.
Eh? So say your address, you come in on my yard, your address. Papa, your address me that the way
I'm
you
a
can.
baby father, so. But I have all right.
Okay, alright. You can go back now.
No. I'm going there.
You're not going to ask me no question in that the way they are my answer. You need to say morning, afternoon, or whatever. You come to see your baby father. Eh?
Yeah.
So,
So every time, the home of your address, every time I see me, you beat me. That
no,
don't make no
because
sense.
they not talk to me good girl. I mean, no want a girl where take me man contact to me no
Anyway,
roughly and
it's Papa here.
Fees them if you friend them up for them talk
Is
to me.
Papa here?
Eh?
Is Papa here?
No, you go say morning first.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah, I go big panic.
Okay, well, you go dead pan it. Because
Anyways,
me,
I prove when you say want, I come back with.
well, Papa,
The proof for sure said this
Papa,
one is actually
okay,
his child.
me understand. Anyway, you know, there you have to go and come back.
I'm telling woman, you know, so me tell her she know. Anyways, no problem. The next time me come here, a police me I come here with.
You notice
That
me
way
not
he have to get this in her hand.
Me not stop you from giving me.
So I got to come her residency here whether you like it, yes or no.
Hello, you
father.
ask me if Papa is here. Me say no. What me cannot go on now? You come like an argument here. Look, you notice me not cuss you today. Me in a good mood. Me in there, you can go on and come back.
Alright, you know.
You in there by 2 o'clock, so you can come back. We cook and left some of my bone for you when we done there. Damn right.
Papai! Papai! I want to make you, but if you ball up my throat, you know.
Hello. What is the problem? Why you come and then knock down the place?
Evelyn.
Evelyn, ma'am.
Now look for Papai. Where Papai is?
Why you want Papa?
Never baby father miss me, I look for Papai. I know you want me, I look for no Papai, me I look for.
Your baby father. So, one come already with our daughter, 14-year-old. Say Papa pick me. No, you come and they breed.
Me realize several when they run race with me and my man them, you know.
Oi.
What?
Oi. No bother with it.
Every man me have you say your man. I want this.
If you mean every man may have you take them way. Can you is a man taker? You is a man
I
taker.
don't put your father in there way. Can me take him
Me
too.
know. Because you go to Tech Man College. That is the school you go to. So that's why I walk and I take people, man. But guess what? You know why I not do nothing? Because you have a well to hold all of the man them, but me only can take one at a time. You see, at this specific moment, Papa is not available. Go on where they go and come out of me yard, John.
Not simply that if you say me never come here, so if you argue with you.
Go on where they go and come out of me yard, drunk up.
You more
And
like,
somebody you look.
you more look like the drunk from a gun man.
You're drunk, you're dog, you're scavenger.
Whatever.
You're incinerator. You're disgusting little. Look here. Don't come back in a me yard. You see me there from morning in a piece and this little wing worm come back and torment me. I told me now no disinfectant when they use on hospital for dash pan it dirty dog make you smell like down hospital. You see you little all crabby. But you want to come take with people, man. No girl no come in on this yard that can come own up Papa. If you know that there with Papa, you know there with him out the road and no make me know else on the front. Now go be funo cause me I go up a yam. I make yam deal with no front phone account fi learn fi stay with phone man. That the man they are for me. Who no love take people man too much. The whole I know a man taker. Who no come here with pitney fi come one up me man to take away the little money where ma give me. I come with belly. What wrong we do no? What is the matter? Who no go look what do man and find the man them we breed on and tap come put pitney for me man. All that the one the way. Watch her. You see your favorite son dirty dog. I come if you come name out me man food. You're bright. A big, go away. Big, good food me cook for me man. Chicken back and white rice. And sugar and water. You don't name them the kind of food they too expensive for you. Your favorite slime. Move. Idiot girl. Me lucky door. She shouldn't go. Make a lucky door and a dirty face. Me don't know you come here and disturb me and my man for. You're lucky. Hey. Where you say? Susan. Oh, she gone. The little dirty girl just coming in my yard. She gone. Papa there they sleep. I mean now wake him up for no dirty foot girl. I trick me chick her. Make she go along about her business.
Papa! Evelyn.
Good evening, little girl.
Papa, there. Papa, there.
Little girl, how will you come to? You want somebody?
Papa.
Mm.
Evening, lady.
Good evening, ma'am.
Papa, there.
Babes! Papa! What you do? Somebody come to you, yes, sir.
Finally.
Listen me.
Listen me.
Come on, me there. No, listen, we not no time for that right now. I have to go to work. From morning when me did there. Where did they? Eh?
Me come here this morning and your woman tell me say.
No, you not come here this morning. She come here this morning?
I force me to see her.
Me come here this morning and your woman tell me say you're not here.
So you...
Me not come here this morning.
Your mother come here this... your mother here to get the lawyer for. She come here this morning?
I force me to see her friend here.
First thing woman I see a friend here. So, oh, you just...
Alright, since I first time I see my friend there, remember I look a proof where they asked me for. For sure say I fear that.
So,
Ready? Something there like paper for you, miss?
I know that. 20 code me eye.
Yeah. 99.9%. Fear.
we can't read still, you know, but...
Your wife or your girlfriend probably can.
Tell me where
Be
you're
honest.
funny.
99.9%. Yeah.
So.
Tell me say enough for your pitney now. Right.
So wait, you know.
Hello.
Okay.
I say you going. You say I say you going down this way belongs to me.
How me going? I saw you going. I know me.
Big people argument.
I know me. I eat. I type problem. I know me. You think I'm a problem? Me tell her no. I eat say yes. We couldn't do nothing.
Hey.
Ask me tell her no.
Oh, you tell me say woman not doing nothing properly at yard. Say
I lie.
that's why you say. Me not shut up because I know I plenty many times she beat me for no reason at all. I'm here to explain to her.
Me touch your girl?
Oh, okay. Okay, keep denial. Anyways, what me need you to know is it's either you're going to start maintain your child or I'm going to carry a court for it.
Yeah, man, it's too much on his sister there.
His sister?
You don't answer me yet, you know? You don't answer me yet. Me say if I saw you go on with down the south way belongs to me.
No, baby. I borrow. She did borrow it one night.
You need to
Can I have them, please?
take half and left half again.
Okay.
The picnic and feed two on she have to go put in a two. Anyway, let me tell her this now. You know
No,
you go do this now.
space. His sister there.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. You see like
Oh,
I got it.
listen. You see like how this proves say are your child that? Here now. You see, because me no want you and no girl get entangled. Because me no mix up with dirty bungle. You are going to take the child and me take care of it, picnic. You go take her.
Take food pitney.
yeah, because you're worthless. You shouldn't come down here. You're fool.
Oh, so me I try to reach out to you for how long to tell you say your baby. And you gonna tell me say me worthless, me this and I run me after they run it up every time me come and I first me come here, you know. Me come here much time. She beat me the first time. She run out me that time. When me
The
jumped
first
on her
time you
down
come
here.
here, she never beat her, she cursed you.
He beat me. Look,
This is the
me not
night.
show you, cause me no want this lady and me have nothing. You man bite me in my chest.
You believe that?
You
You believe that?
no, my woman
I never put me on this girl.
my woman no eat
I
meat, a
don't
pure
even know
vegetable.
her. At the first time me see her, but anyway,
My daughter.
this
Me
approves
no care you
says
come at the yard here. She no run you out. Me no care you come at the yard here and she bust me and send me out. Yes. Okay.
So how you still walk if you ask boss?
It coming like you know write it up here. Me no know women
If
come
somebody
say,
bust
"Bring
your
man like a
ass, when you did do that, so then you at the
I know
hospital.
that me a talk about how the maintenance fee are gonna go come if it in a Tanya with she.
Hello.
As my wife said,
Hello?
the African makes it.
you hear what me I say? You see that? It look like you don't know if you control it. So me go buy one jack strap for you.
Hey,
What do you say?
You see that when you don't mess up? Belongs to me. And you know what me I go do with you later? Me go carry you go one woman tattoo shop where a woman they do the tattoo, not man.
And
And make them put me name panny.
no! No!
all the name up on the miss. We still can't get
And
it.
after me name
Baby
go panny
mother
up,
right.
me name I go up at the top. And down further. Me I go make she put do not touch, it belongs to me.
Baby mother
That
right.
means say you keep your private in your pants.
Don't touch me.
You hear what
Where
me
you
say?
get? Where you do that? Where you do
You see
that?
how you dry? You see
Baby
how she do
mother
your face?
right.
Listen, hello.
Yeah, baby mother right, so better start say baby mother wrong. 'Cause
Hello.
it's wrong.
All
Guess
around.
what? Guess
Because
what?
it was a one night.
One night and you did like it though, it's sweet, yeah.
What
See,
kind of
production.
conversation
No.
that you are all in front of me?
Allah, me did tell him.
Me not get entangled with no
You
dirty
know, start
bumble.
with Mantan. when
You
you
hear what me
go-
just say?
Fam-
Eh, come up here, so.
Don't touch
Hello?
me. Don't touch me.
Hello?
Me alright.
Come up here, so. No, just stand right here, so. Me talk to you. No listen and go on.
Me
Listen.
not think you
You
know
had-
what me.
Me, what me just say? Repeat after me. Me not get entangled
With me now getting tangled.
with no dirty bungle.
With
no
no
money we
dirty
can
bungle.
Cause we no mixed.
Cause we no mix.
And we no mingle.
And we no mingle.
You see the pitney here, you go check him because me no want no girl come to you or you left go to no girl. So guess what?
Oh, so she tell you what me say. You
Hello?
Man up.
Hello, when me
Man
just
up,
say?
cause you know.
We are going to take care of the child.
We are
first.
gonna
You
take
now
care
go
of
back
the
up
child.
here
Stay
again.
with she?
Come now, bring them back again.
Are you
Okay.
choosing to stay here?
You staying with the papi,
You
yeah?
staying here with your daddy?
Yeah, me beat them say she hungry, me say me no father.
Ah!
Me tell her that.
You see what I want? You see what I want? You walk this.
It no matter me mind him for all 14 years. I feel your third.
That's right. So come inside, me darling.
Morning.
What,
I
what,
feel
what is your name? What is your
Me
name?
remind him for the 4 years.
Your name
You
is-
go work? Work you say I go come out?
Boy, me I talk to your child. You don't talk when people are talk. That's why me and your granny never used to agree, you know, because when people are chat to her, she still a chat. What is your name, girl?
Amelia.
Your name is Amila? Okay, come inside. You be from morning?
Yeah.
Okay, so me go give you something to eat. Look how fair you dry. Take out. Is that you go and work and you come back in the house? Because I don't want to worry in here this man. You see me I humble myself and I do like me no swear go on. Round the corner. Okay. So if you know me know you go on. Go on at work. I'm at a fact.
No, me not leave. Me have to talk to she.
Hello.
No.
Me have to talk to her. Me not leaving.
Go on. Go on at work before me no cook no dinner when you come back later. Just go on, man.
Just
Because
take
me
care of
and I
the
work
dancer, miss.
today.
No, you can't stop it arguing. Thank you. Wait for me.
Missy say, you're a troublemaker, but you wait for me. You can't want with my man. You're son dirty, but I put rubber to your girl.
Oh boy. No problem.
Hi.
Right.
Eh. So we can go on so.
Oh my God, me just like have me distance, you know, because I'm a woman.
Me like you though.
You like
You
me?
seem
don't
like a
like you.
nice guy.
Me
Come
can't
here,
like you. Me can't like
You
you.
afraid of woman?
No, I'm not
So
afraid
me
of
get a frigid so.
I'm not frigid.
Me like you.
You can do it, you can. Rub down my chest. My woman see right now and go lick us. I'm panic.
Me not afraid of no girl. That's a one. But you seem like a nice guy.
Yeah, me a nice
Look
guy.
at-
That's why me a born woman.
But could I deal with you, you know?
No,
Like, make you feel good and
deal with
something.
yourself. No deal with me.
So, you
So-
know what I mean?
They can't talk and no touch me. Me don't even know your name. Nothing you touch
Oh.
me.
My name,
Look, listen, What's your name?
Alien. That's
Nice
my
to meet
name.
you. Jesus. I was saying this woman here, Father God.
How old are we?
Eh?
How old
How
are we?
old me look?
How old are we?
How old me
You
look?
tell me. Yes.
Next. You see, if you want to know my age, you don't touch me again. Good. Alright, that's my age.
Mm-hmm.
Bigger than your age, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But,
How old are you?
I know some, me like 20, I go to 30.
Oh, you're cute though.
I know,
You gotta do
thanks.
some nice things
But
with
you
you.
look like you all have pick me,
Me?
Mm.
Me look like me happy me?
Boy, you look bigger than me and you in a one.
From me born, never come out of here, so.
Mm.
A young girl, you know?
No child.
Nothing. Me
No
not
chilly,
nothing.
me.
Me not carry with feather. Me not walk with them, that's something.
Believe
So
it, but
chick.
me can't talk to you, you know.
Yeah, why not?
My woman mad.
Busy
It's
boy,
when you get,
man.
she brown. You see when she mad,
Mm-hmm.
she pink.
So busy boy,
And you
them.
can't touch him when he pink, bunny up.
No rest,
Me
she
say
not
me
know.
say can't touch. Right?
She not know.
My woman, if she not know,
I want, me not
Yes.
look good.
nothing wrong with them.
So why problem?
Because I'm taking, I'm a liar.
So what if you take it, every man cheat?
No, this one.
And man shot me take it over. So me no-
No, you can't do that. Listen to me now. Let me explain to you.
Let me touch it at
Me
least.
are
So.
hot to you just close to me. Look there. Me soak. I don't even want to take off my shirt or something. No, you see my body because you're going to get all mad for this.
Sit off, man. Know yourself.
Eh?
Me not go on nowhere. Just take
You're
off.
sure you're not going to go on
Yeah,
with me?
me sure.
I told me hot, you know. Me hot. See if me ain't hot. Me not take off me. Jesus Christ, Father God. Well,
Boy.
listen to me. Me I go and go about me.
Yeah, hot boy. Just please, man.
No, what you know?
So what make you so against it? What happened? What happened?
Me hot.
What? Me not look nice.
Miss, me can't talk.
What
to
do
you.
me?
Me woman. Me have a woman.
So what? Every man cheat that I know of. Then
No,
cheat.
this one a liar to the bone, to the ground.
You can't that loyal.
What make? Told me lie, I mean, you want to tell us too long with you. About my business. Stop.
If you did lie, you'd have gone already.
So, alright, listen. So you not get me. You not think one next man go lay all day around the corner?
No, you me want.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
You can't get this one now.
You me want. Me like all the tattoo. You me want.
This lady.
Why not?
Me never remember your name. What you say your name?
You don't need to worry about that.
That will show you how interested I am not in. So I have to go about my whereabouts and you go about your whereabouts. You go about the next man, you know, bully all handsome than me.
But are you me want? Me don't want the next man. You me want.
You can't get me baby though, sorry.
But are you me want? Me not ask you. Tell me what else you want.
Me woman, me beat me and beat you.
No
and
girl
me
can't beat me.
Well, you go beat me and me can't take that right now. Touch me, miss.
Hey, go on. Me not force you.
Alright. One next stop for you know learn.
So what wrong? What wrong with me? Tell me what do me. Something to me.
No dear, what you know?
So make you don't want me.
Boy, Father God. I'm tell the girl I pray and I make you find somebody better.
So no, look for me for true. What do me make you don't want me?
You turn around there.
Me not turn. What do
I
me?
can't turn around. Turn around.
What do me?
Alright, give me a spin, let me see.
Oh, but Jesus. So you mean to tell me say something to me, man? Something right?
Amelia? Amelia?
Yes.
Your mother not teach you no manners. You don't know if you answer people bigger than you.
Yeah.
Me go out on the road, go get something for your dinner, yeah? So, I want you go look for the rake and sweep up the yard. And listen to me. Nobody feels you just come here, me I work you out. You can't sweep up the yard because the place look messy. Here? Sorry, excuse me. So when me come back, me give you something to eat, alright?
Yeah. How are you? How are you? How you doing so out?
There's something to me. You're so annoying. That's why I come outside.
Oh, but look how sun hot when we come outside before you go in the next room.
What you want?
Me no want to just come to check if you're alright.
Yeah, me alright.
What's up with that part of your shirt, Castle?
This?
Yeah.
I 2 piece.
Oh.
Mommy in there inside right now, so no make too much noise. Matter of fact, me I come go up and ready. If she wake up and ask her what me there, tell her I don't know.
Okay.
Right, so come.
Early in the morning, cleaning my girl home at night. Cooking. Yeah, the shopping yard look good.
Honey, all these times we know you, me never hit serious cat. So
Where
I
do me yard now?
Stop.
Where you know some of the
Stop.
best up?
Exactly. Oh, me no silly gas so.
I don't know what
Come here, the idiot.
me and a dead miss.
I want to go on out so.
Some woman them
I'm
love of my life.
say she do something for you.
My woman do me something. Woman
I
do
want
me
to
nothing.
out so. I want. I want to
Marry
wreck yard.
me yard and this
No
girl
come
a
back
cut.
here no. But me hear your mouth
I the
out
same
here.
girl
No,
that
Che, do something now.
do her something. You can kind of leave me yard, please. Go on. And don't come back here, so.
You can't tell me that.
You don't belong here.
Okay.
She been here in the first
You
place.
know me.
Now the yard if you rake up.
Me rake yard, what I mean?
Stop taking things from my food.
I'm sorry. Go on inside and go lay down, man. When you done, make your breakfast.
I don't know what she do, you know. I'm swear to God. Come like I said, you beat me when me beat her, what you never, she never happy for that.
I don't know how I do it. Okay, now, who you find me yard?
What you say you then a sweep up? Little girl, come here. When me I leave, me not tell her say fi sweep up here.
Yeah, me can't find a rake.
Eh?
Me can't find a rake.
So even if you can't find the rake, you could have just take up a 5 minute buckle them with your hand and then you go a pipe, go wash it and use some
Oh,
soap
me
wash it.
feel like do we alone you did do me rake up like here so.
And I do it alone dirty. Everywhere you have to sweep up the
Oh,
place.
true. And I time that you say we not to rake up over nobody.
Anyway, no worry yourself. Make it stay. Make it sweep up the later. Go on. Me couldn't bother to go so far, so me give someone I buy taxi boy them want money if you go down a supermarket go buy something for you get feed. So when they come.
Alright.
Yeah, you hungry?
No, not really, but little bit.
Alright. Anyway. You sit down right here, sir. Tell me some things about yourself.
Me like to dance.
You like dance?
Yeah, me kinda can sing. And me love cook.
You can cook?
Yes.
So, hold on there. Now ask you some personal questions. I mean, how you feel now here? You a thief?
No. My mother never grew me so. And none of people they never grow me so I'm growing them.
You
And
never
when they put down their money in front of me, yeah.
you never thief nothing yet?
Never teach nothing.
So me did have $1,000 in this morning. A matter of fact, at 3 grand me did have. And me give bike boy $2,000 to buy something for you eat, cause me go cook some food for you. Me leave the $1,000 underneath it something. And this man when me go why me never want to send it to you, me never want you feel now. So me just take up the $2,000. The $1,000 missing. And now you take it.
No.
So wait there.
No.
What you mean you don't know where they? So you don't see it, you don't know where they. And me and Shanice in the house and Papa. Where the $1,000? Speak the truth. If you know where they tell me, little girl.
Alright, come and tell her where it was there. This morning, Shanice pack up her bag and her things them and go. I want boy.
You know, sit at the door of glass. You break it.
I want black boy come film.
Eh? Where you say? No, start over. Rewind and come back again. Where you say about me $1,000?
Me say as Shanice take up here and she pack up some clothes gone and I want black boy come here.
Which
and
black boy?
We did hear she the call up a boy named say boy named Trey. And in her mind she said she gone take taxi and me don't feel say no or no which she a go or no. So me say so man they come here, man and come here in a car or something.
Yeah, but look on you too. Shut for your little nasty mouth. 14-year-old and they tell bigger than you about how man now come for them in a car bike then take. What wrong with you?
But I truth. Yeah, Papa.
Little girl, me no size. This is not your biological mother. And me I talk to you now. You go tell me say my 19-year-old daughter gone pan bike with man. And you look on her and tell her say, oh I no care. They come pick her up. So car always pick you up or what do you?
Never.
So how you read so far?
No, me just
So Shanice tell us that she not come back?
Yeah.
Don't tell
And
me
she
like
tell
on
me say
Shanice.
she don't ask her no when me dey ask her which
Ah, so
part
she
she
tell
are.
you?
Yes,
So she
swear.
really gone?
Yeah, but she take up it over. If you want,
No
try
call
call
her
her or
phone.
something, you try call her.
No call her phone. No worry yourself. Thanks for telling me. You sure say I know you thief me $1,000 you chat
No,
about her?
Shanice swear.
Shanice take up it $1,000 and
Shanice
gone
take
with
up
it.
it over and pack up some clothes now in matey bag.
Gone with that matey bag too.
Yes. I matey bag the pan in back. And he in a one white shirt and one black tie.
What color clothes the boy in?
He boy in a one blue shirt and one jeans pants.
So they look like they dress up like them a
Yeah,
go if
like
you come
them
back or
they
they
go
not come
somewhere.
back.
Me not sure if they come back cause she can bag and she put enough clothes in there and
That
pants.
sound like a
And
runway.
he bring in toothbrush and he, you know, and roll on
Shanice bring
everything.
toothbrush and roll on.
Everything.
Hey! So it look like she run with the boy there.
I don't see the boy come and he say if me don't ask her nothing, she just go and this and
That's
that.
what she say.
Yeah.
You know, if you ask her nothing. I true she not used to you and she not easy to like people. That's what she say.
Yeah, but more know where she dey go some can tell her so when you come here though ask her and when she come back you don't cuss her or nothing.
And my daughter, I know say so she can. Maybe we call her and find out what the problem. Because I don't know how she gone with man and me don't know about that. Anyway, go on inside. When the boy come with he sitting there when we beg him by. When we look about you and give something for you. Lock the door, I'm going to make one call. Shanice. Which part of them, ma'am? So when you come back? So oh you just take up your things them and gone and take up your money and ask when me I go do with it and you just gone with the $1,000. Suppose that it alone me did have. Worse how me go take a little dirty butterfoot girl pitney. You know say I know me and you and Papa again plus pitney in your gut. Me have to go mine other pitney. Yes, me have to take her and mine her because Papa ain't not give no girl no money out the road again. Into out order. So when you come back? In a 1 week time. Alright, take care of yourself. If I anything, you call me. Take it out now. I don't want it, but that good man, I just want to know if I little girl thiefy or you thiefy. Because I know your hand then touches you. Alright, later. Right now, I'm looking take me toes and all of that.
Mommy, how you do out here, sir?
What you doing? You tell me say 1 week time before you come back.
Prank, yeah.
Oh, prank me, you say I'll
Because
tell
you
you.
under the ever prank with somebody, they prank you back.
So I make it back there when me you say you're gone with.
Who tell you that?
Make it
I
on.
must look up in this. I don't
Make
know
it
to
on.
take her in final.
Make it on right there, so and nobody not tell me nothing. Make it
Me
straight.
ain't gone with no bag. Me tell her, say, me I go down the road and come back. If you ask for me, she will tell her, say, she don't know me gone.
Yeah, you say you are man. Some man named Trey.
I over train me go.
Gone pan bike and sitting.
Trey never talk to me, so oh, Trey, if you come for me, pan bike.
So you're gone over there?
But go over there if you talk to him about something. But one brown girl
I just
over
say
there.
he not talk to you. Where you catch on yard? So you a look here or she a look here?
Remember, say me have me pay. So me have to go to him for little money. But find what the year not pay me no man. Me don't know what one brown girl over there. Me don't know what she do him. So me just there here. I walk go up there while I can't bother so me come back down. Can't believe that a little bit. He just come here and tell lies. Where you take him in for? You need to send him back with his mother.
Shanice, you know, see enough to stay so.
Stay out.
You know, see our mother big like how and this little girl skinny so. That she show you say no care how Papa give the mother money. She not feeding the child. She alone and your mom.
Both mother and daughter don't look good. They're shot in the yard.
No, talking
14 years now and they want to
God.
come
Too
back.
wicked. Oh God, Shanice. You me pick me but talking truth. Oh God, man. I want
All
nice
one
little
thing
girl.
I'm a killer feed so much away.
I want nice little girl. She not ugly.
Gravy sugar get.
Not do that.
Me not like her no.
All when I know your sister, me have to go take care of her. You
Me
must
not
take
like her.
Shanice. Remember say you want pick me, you know. In that belly there. You have to take
That
care of
different.
people, kids. You don't know what gonna happen to you and
And
one day.
she's a lie.
But one day maybe I feel left with somebody other one and
She
disadvantage
too
of it.
lie, man.
Anyway, me have to take care of her.
For how long?
As long as she there here. Me can't take care of you and not take care of people them pitney. Why it make sense me take how wickedness that?
A wickedness you taking me in and take care of she and not take care of me.
No, me still a take care of you, but
Me not see it.
Shanice, you're 19.
So,
The little girl
you're
is
my
14.
mother. You're supposed to take care of me.
Me I take care of you.
Forever.
Really? At
Yeah.
times you go look walk.
No. Yeah, do that already, mommy.
Yeah. Why little girl there, Shanice?
Me not like her. She don't lie.
Somebody there on the phone to talk to you.
Watch her, they hang up. Damn.
Come back, the person say important.
See there? She all have your phone already and she just come.
No, me never have she
Me
phone.
no,
I
I
take
ain't
me take
not
up
for
her
you.
phone.
Don't talk to me.
Well, may I call you back and it not ring. Sorry. If it's so important, then we call me back. Anyway. She say a prank.
Oh, me left her with bag?
If I left her with bag.
Yeah, where bag do me left her with? Oh, you so lie.
You sure say she tell
Oh,
me
you
so?
so lie. Who else gonna tell
Me
you?
tell her say you're gone.
Oh, you know
And
me
you not
gone. You
come.
did
Cause
sleep
me
when
come.
me left here.
Listen, me come, me drop asleep. When me wake up, me not see you. So no must gone for her in a yard. She not have to tell me nothing.
With bag?
You just dung in a little girl skin. You
Me not
mosquito.
like her, mommy send her back to she.
No, you mosquito. Stop suck out the pitney blood, man.
No, so cut her. Me have blood. It look like him, mother did a feed him. Look on him.
Leave the little girl alone. Me not go take no disadvantage.
So I want to make it out of some mommy.
In my house too hot.
Oh.
A time for Papa I buy one AC. Me can't manage it.
Too much old lane in this house and the AC can come.
Well, you need to buy some black and some steel. Me can't manage it, man.
So you don't want to go in?
No, me no want to go in. You go on inside and go see where you can look both in there to eat.
Alright.
But you look like from you like yesterday. Yeah. You don't bathe. I from when you say this, Ghana. I will need right now.
And this morning me go with mommy.
Oh, God. Sorry,
Look like your high blood
me head a road.
like your blood pressure gone up.
Yes, sir.
And I talk to you.
Remember say the door a glass.
Remember say door a glass, man, you slam me and break it, you know, cause me have no money to buy back, you know, me tired. Go on inside, I hope you no bother quarrel again. Every day you no quarrel, me can't bother, man. Me sit down right and cool out.
Oh boy. You know, sir.
Shopping every day I do.
Browning.
Yeah.
What? You know easy. You me daughter-in-law. No, I'm daughter-in-law, stepdaughter. And the browning?
Yeah, man, me want Brownie come back. We live in us, I know me just love her. Love her,
I love
bad.
this strong. That look the really strong. Oh, she look.
She's slim. She's slim. I tell him, man, gonna slim,
I wonder
slim.
if I want brown girl with it come from the road. Come and shop for there.
I'm send her a shop 1 and 2 times.
She come down here and look at me face. I drink me rum by myself.
Yeah.
And she go ask me to shop lot. Me have to really look at my cup, you know, and go on and go look at the door, you know.
Yeah.
Me say her class, I can call her mapstick.
Class my woman.
Yeah, she really feel a mapstick. She maga.
Man, nice man.
Me say, no, me say she maga.
See?
She want to call man, you could have buy a vampire so wicked.
They know. This big woman. Say she like me, I can't touch me, I rub me down.
Big woman.
Yes, man, one big black chanted woman.
Big breast.
Big breast. Big.
Oh! I'm a big
Man.
man of that.
Are you who?
I'm a big man.
That good thing me turn him. You man, don't call me under me king, you know.
That's why I'm like, don't you pick the live with me now.
Eh?
She have 14, but me didn't know about that. So I say no. Oh, wow.
Is that?
You know how long me help you?
Me laugh?
I thought me a try to
Do I look like I'm laugh? Answer the question. Me look like me laugh?
Shafi can't come back.
Huh?
Shafi can't come back. No.
What
Anyways, we come over here and I'll feel.
So come on, man.
And you want to run me out.
Shafi,
She
Shafi
should
can't.
have dashed piece in your face.
Oh, really?
You are take a girl, man, and look at you down, eh?
They take them any day, anytime. And in front of their
Me not
face.
trust you with that belly, you know. That come not trust you with that belly.
They mean not trust
Me
me.
feel like kind of my belly that. Me feel like that picking in your belly is not for me.
Oh, really?
I tell you the truth. Come on, big man.
Eh?
Come on, man. See that I'm talk. You feel that feel picking in your belly.
I mean, man, I must see how you would. I mean,
You feel that she not cheap for me.
she, no, I'm not cheap for him. Nothing. You're cheap for him? You're not cheap for him.
You don't know to be cheat for you already. I know
You
you.
know that,
I
you
know.
know, and me.
You know too. How you be cheat with?
What, yes?
Me!
No, me.
What, yes? More I know what, right, yes?
The reason me there, the reason this a girl that come put fraud news to you, man, and
No, listen me. Listen me. No
No,
dice
you be
now,
crying.
no. No
me
dice
and
now,
your
roll.
girl. I'm sorry, sit down. Sit down, Papa. Sit down.
No,
Sit down,
no,
Nana.
no, that one I don't want no sleep. So you sleep with your best friend. And then you are going to tell me to feed you. You say I stand today, you are going to feed that.
Me?
You are going to feed that.
Remember, say me and my brownie, and me have a daughter.
I have me when you impregnate me.
Sometimes I wonder if you go and come. Sometimes you hear your boss say you don't know who you shall meet. Then you talk about you have a daughter. Yeah, that go and come. Which one? Make up your mind. You
Yeah,
end
make
up go
up your
and
mind.
come.
Huh? Man, me even cheating on
You're
her.
confused. You know. Oh, you dare to sleep with my best friend.
She not
You
sleep
just
with
know
me.
that.
She not sleep with me, virgin.
Where she go? She go a bush with you?
No.
Where she go? She go a see you with you?
Me ever go nowhere?
Near your grind, right in your bedroom.
Me and you
Yes.
in my house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tell her me
Like
and
I
my
said,
brownie.
me have proof.
What kind of proof you have?
are your brownie live? Hmm?
Me
You
and
are your brownie live,
me
right?
and my brownie live.
You are who live. Cause me not understand how you are sleep with my best friend and then I come beg me food.
I lie, I tell you. Man, this girl never sleep.
You know?
What do you head?
You know?
What do you mean, what do me head?
You see, I say you come
I
down.
told we not drinking, I say for the drink. We don't
I
understand.
say, no, me tell you already. Me I eat after drinking can feel like I'm drinking.
Do
I
what?
told me not idiot. So you see, you can't have a good life with him, you know.
No!
And you see that
You
belly?
can't have a good life without me and going to my brownie.
Me not sure if I feel me pick you in your belly right now, you know. Cause you see, all you do, I try to trick people while picking it. Take them in a idiot. And where you want
I
to...
only want to take yourself to eat that.
Who?
You!
Me?
No,
I
me.
don't take myself either.
How much money you have here?
I don't know if you get no money like that.
What you say? You don't know me?
How much
You have
money?
enough sense in your brain?
How much money you...
You don't need to know that.
I don't give no money. Don't forget me.
Alright. I'll give you money.
Who? See me I get money?
Yeah, man, I'll give you money.
She get her money now.
She deserve money.
See I get money there. I mean I want money from, take money from him, he might get money.
Hold on.
They can't find the money.
Look
You're
for
not buying a rum, you know, so you must have money.
Oh, yeah.
You find it.
Yeah, man.
Look
Buy
like
sweet-
$20 girl.
Buy sweet with that.
You can't take this and go get cherry.
You're lucky, you know what people want $20. Listen, you know.
No.
Me and you top drinking.
What I mean?
Me and you top drink.
Brother, you're going to make one woman mash up to friendship.
You
brother.
have your little map stick up in your yard and you choose to come take my sweet, good old...
So now you know how your cherry tree over your yard.
That's all I'm with that. And you see me have my little young, sweetie.
But you see me with your sweetie? You ever see me with your sweetie?
I'm not sweetie no more. You see, once you go there, that's not sweetie. That's
How?
the truth.
How?
That's a bitter girl.
Bitter
Oh,
girl. I don't even know this girl and this girl say me and her did that. Come go up to my brownie, you know, because my brownie must have what they need there.
How would you call me? Hello? Oh, me miss your call. Sorry, I told me that was one little conversation with me stepdaughter I'm in that my next daughter, Oh, you call me now? Which part me fi come meet you? Okay, out on the road, me a come. Same thing me say if he important the person we call back. Alright, cool. Me a come.
With a red kid girl get it. Pinky!
Hello.
Come here. Come here. Come, I couldn't believe.
Couldn't believe what?
If it is say you have high power, you're a bad girl for the yard, you're in charge of the yard. In charge of the yard.
Yeah,
You're
what?
100% sure you're in charge of the yard.
What
Yeah.
happened?
You think me don't know say you got a hobby, man? Hmm? Hmm?
You know that.
Let me know that. Me no. Me do bad things, you know, but you do worse than
So
me.
you follow back on me?
Who for that? Girl, me not follow back at you. Me not follow back at people. And me just end up in a people business, and that's that.
So you know something about me.
Because, me tell you say, one day me miss one argument, and if you know for argument.
Mm-hmm.
So me say, look like say, me GPS tracker now work good. So me have to go run new way. When me go up at the man they tell me, say, he said, how be a man where go, and then me go. Huh? Yeah. And he, come on, that's so.
You can spin around.
Yeah, spin a roll. Oh, you so wicked.
Oh, you so wicked. Wait, tell me one look argument you gonna pick them up, yeah, man.
Listen to me. Me got hobby man for know people business. No fit tie people. I like the time, man.
Well, I mean, man, me supposed to time. Too much people want him.
Me say, yes, anyhow, you no repent. Yeah, days about come to an end.
Your days about come to hide and I love this people.
So to me.
Come on. Where you come over here for?
I come and tell you say we go hobby man for we trade there.
Where you go be a man for?
You know people business there, me.
Oh, well, me go be the same thing you go be a man for? Yeah, me go there for time, man. So yeah, my alone fi go under leave.
But you can't have time, man. You can't go hobby man for time, man.
You chat too much.
Me say, you see your fool if you go back.
Him try not there. Him down there.
Try.
Him not there.
Try.
Him not there.
What try there? Do you just like that? I walk past the bar and train anybody there.
What happened?
Why she come over here, so?
So I come over and your mouth white.
No,
Like
no,
a
no,
this
no.
wake up.
You know what she?
Next question.
You know her?
Next question now.
Oh, you take time. Talk.
No, lick me, girl. No, lick me. Lick me.
Don't put your hand on him.
You can't forget she.
Right.
Mix up.
So me ask you a question now.
What?
I guess you can't have she.
No, me love her. I'm feeling for
You
her.
love me.
I don't Shanice your love.
No, who needs so? No, who needs so? My woman.
Yeah.
Me love this.
You love some
can't-
manga shit there.
Yeah, no, I when she manga, she have it, she good.
You can make you one spin.
Mm-hmm. All of this for me, my brownie. But you can't go
Yes.
now, you can't leave for a yard.
No, wait. Come here, the girl. Come here, the man. Wait, come here now. More ask if you really a walk or a lie.
What?
Since you jump.
Jump.
Jesus. You're wicked.
Alright,
Back jump.
Come here. Stop
What's
jumping.
that? Jesus. Me need to talk to your
One
friend.
woman.
Me need to see Papa.
Come
You
on,
need
come
real.
on,
What a wicked little pitney. You wicked? Jesus Christ.
Are you coming here back on me for?
No, mommy send me in here.
Who you call mommy?
Your man is some call her mommy, so mommy, they call her.
Don't call her no mommy.
Okay then, let's.
And what attitude for?
Because
What attitude for?
that
That nothing to do with me. Listen to me. As if you come here, my mother come curse me and I come talk about the little toes now I take up. Listen to me, you see? Same blood here and deaf in here. Don't see nothing, don't hear nothing. No. I don't call my mother no mommy. And that follow back on me, man. Girl, I'm going to do go sit down. I have my problems in period, you know.
Dear, where you look so?
a Shanice.
So you mean a Shanice? What Shanice do to you?
And they gone, she come they drag my head and they pinch me and they took me from belly and they box me. And they simply, and both say me don't call her no mommy, because you don't my mother. So me say, because they say, me can call her mommy, make me call her mommy.
So why you talking of Dave so? With that the body language and attitude or what? You and Shanice have something?
No, just because me
Where
did
do
tell
to
her
her?
something.
Huh?
Just because me did tell her something, she said she won't tell her that was there, that and this and that. Let me tell her that.
So Shanice beat up you?
Yes.
Oh God. So what is for your food? What is?
A coat.
Has she do it?
Yes. He use it to clip me.
Stand up, let me see it. Turn on, so. Turn on. Let me see it. Make it whole crowd see it, because I want to know if she really people who know see where I'm going. All the neighbor them may show, because move your hand. You hear so? Let me see. Which part again I say she look at? All this too? Jesus. Oh God. She biting your eye?
No, she bite me right there, so.
So now, are you have to call it say your eye that yes so? Then are you for your eye? Oh God. So you not lick her back?
No.
She beat you up bad man.
Yeah, me say me not lick her back and me say me don't feel lick him kind bigger than me.
Don't worry yourself. Me sorry about everything we go on here. Me go deal with her case. Don't worry yourself. Alright. Go on inside. Go on. Tired. Hold on. Shanice!
Yeah?
Come here.
I'm coming.
Your mouth sound full so.
Yeah, I'm something.
Come here. Right now.
Yeah?
Come right here, son. I talk to you. You know, there's something around there eating. I hope you give people them getting something to eat. Why you are eating and she not eating? Shanice?
Eh?
Why you wait until me gone to beat up the little girl? Why you take disadvantage of the people them pick me?
Look at beat.
You all look about something to eat and you not give her none. That a wickedness, man.
They shouldn't have hand.
Shanice, don't be like that.
When in there, mother, who look about something game for eat?
Me no know and that no concern me.
Now the time for waste.
You can't have people in your yard and you look about something to eat.
But me no invite her here.
And you eat it off and don't give the person. A matter of fact, she's smaller than you, bigger than her. You should have give her some that a wickedness. You're too wicked, Shanice. You know, say if you remember, say you breathe and one picnic in your belly, and the same thing where you do people picnic, and it will happen to you. You can't say
His mother should have climbed back on here, and his mother should have left him here.
I know her mother leave her here. Me tell her mother say she must give the little girl to me, make me take.
That's not your responsibility.
So you have baby? You don't have baby?
Oh.
You're too enough.
I saw you go. I want a question.
No, ask me nothing.
Oh, wait, baby father. I try.
My fiancé,
I try.
you see, when I try to tap in there.
Me just ask.
Make she stay. The little girl make she talk. I know nothing that they then want to when the people them see out around and ask her why you baby father. We make you jump down the throat so.
I didn't know you too.
Oh God, and not because I'm not my child. You know
Me
if
like
you stay so.
her.
You know if you stay so, Shanice. Take care of people, kids, so when you have few people can take care of you.
And your mother there yard free?
No watch him mama, you know say mama idiot. No watch him ma. All him ma do. Listen, you see your mother? All her mother do, when you look on her, you know me not even have to tell you, but me still have to tell you, is nyam.
Nyam.
Make the little girl starve. You hear? You what she say her mother do? Nyam get big and fat and the little pitney maga like a hands. Wickedness, that's why I have to take her away. Because I say all the money where papa they give she.
I can't find the nyam.
Your mother eat 10 flour? You stop tell, you know, say you want little wicked.
I'm not telling lie.
You want little wicked.
I'm a lie.
No, but come to think of it for true, you know. We might they say a lie and a true. Because her mother look like she can eat. No, it look like. Stop talking about your mother like that. Don't do that. Not talk about your mother that way there. But anyway,
If you look up with me, you feel like too much more, you need to go back.
And you know if you talk bad things about your mother, although where you say a true.
And about things that you think.
But she not look like she
Me all back answer you.
Listen, she say her mother eat 10 flour, but her mother look like a 30 flour she name. Anyway, you can see when they did feel hungry. Yeah, and you look malnutrition. You look malnourished. You have to go care you. Go a doctor. Go get me them prescribed.
All
The
them
vitamin
job there.
them. Yes.
Fertilizer.
No.
So what do you mother make your
Vitamins
mother
for your
can
body.
do?
You go, your son look nice man. Care one pretty little girl.
Which one?
And I hope one time you wash your out and start build you up back with tonic and sit in here. No, come down the whole place, you know, because
What a job you are take
I
up?
tell me no one big lot of house. No, me not gonna have done you know.
remember say me have to save the little food.
Feed
Feed me, Popeye, and Shanice and you and the baby.
She not fit eat here. She mother can't care food from here.
No, me no want back her mama in the yard. You know,
And
say,
then kick off war.
I know say when that girl come here, I hope that she come put down in my yard to take with my man, but she not get him. She not get him. Me sorry. She thought them kind of something in front of you, but your mother is a wicked. Oh, she think your man no give you none. 10 flour. And you will say it on me.
You know, say man a wicked too.
Which man? The man who she did with? Who?
Which one?
My father.
Pick up it, lock your mouth. Come in, me go back when
Where just
Come here,
come here to me. Come, I don't want nobody talk about me, man. You know, all when your papa, little girl, where you just say?
Me say
My
man
man.
a wicked.
Which man, Papa?
Yeah.
Your father? What you know about your father? You just little girl. What you mean when you say my man wicked? What you mean?
Because after him they tell me my family say tell her say go home.
And you're the one laughing thing. Little girl, you see, if you're the truth, you talk serious.
Alright.
Don't laugh with me.
Mother tell me say him the shop about how you not give no front you not going with no one.
Where you live with the backside? You come out here about little pitney. Have manners. Look here, you go apologize now. Say sorry.
I'm sorry.
If you use them the kind of language you know, I say your mother grow you.
No.
If you talk anything in front of anybody. Jesus
You
Christ.
see your mother for
Shanice, me go tell you something. You need to apologize to beat up the people. Them
me not apologize to her because me never beat her.
Lie.
Look up in the lock your mouth when me attack. I never lay a finger on this little child. If she be child.
But she act like she a big woman.
Look on her eyebrow them.
You feel remember your age. Hello. Remember your age. Certain
Yeah,
things.
remember me yet, but I lie in the tell.
No, me a talk about what you just said. Stop thinking about what she said.
Oh, yeah.
You see them the kind of argument the way they pan? Hello. You can't stay here and stay so. You have to go change. Remember your age. You understand? If I ever hear you say whether front, side or back again, me they send about go straight to your mama yard.
So you say.
You hear what me say?
Send it
Don't
down.
shake it off for me. Have manners. Say I'm sorry.
So say
I'm
no,
sorry.
no.
I'm sorry, mommy.
I'm sorry, mommy.
Why you tell her call your mommy for?
Who know they confuse me for?
No,
What?
she not, daughter. She not fi call your mommy and have a name.
I'm a man picking me if you take her as my daughter. Shani,
No.
Me can't take this no more.
Not under this roof.
One about you go bait. I look like I say from you come and this yard you no bait. Me not understand, Shanice. You just come back from where part me no know. You get up go bait. Your name and no give it. Whole on no wicked. Yo, me can't take this and no more, yeah, man.
Me a no wicked. Me ain't tell him mama fi come left him ya. Mama shoulda carry him back.
Maybe your way putting this to your nice.
Hello, why not? So come sit yourself. Sit, Bobo, sit. Come over.
Tea nice, no?
You like it?
Yeah, I put in nice.
We come for me pick the maintenance.
Pick the maintenance, pick the never born yet.
Me got business. You see like that in head? Good.
How are you?
Oh, so you have been running in a circle like
How is she?
a circle somebody must have come big. Me no know.
We not have nothing to give. We can't help you right now. Cause my woman,
The virgin you festive though.
It's a girl like. What happened with you in my yard?
How are going? How you do ya? What them two you do ya? What you do ya? You come for my picnic maintenance. She knock him a while ago and talk about me if he come out. Whatever if he come out, me don't know where she attack. Then
tell him come off from right now.
So wait there, me and I see him both even though I don't like you. If you remember me, all of a sudden it seems like she do something to you, but we don't know what. Well, me
really?
don't know what. You know what?
You don't know what God is.
She time. She got oh, we are go time. So anything she tell him to do, he do. That's so. Tell her if you tell him to go in and come out. Tell him go in and house.
Go in and come out. When go in and come out, me tell that.
You see? You have him a turn him in the ear.
Alright, come. Oi! Sit, boy, sit.
The backside of turn dog.
Boo boo.
Can you sit down?
Then can go on.
You want me to my fair brand now?
No come.
What is?
Sit, bubble sit.
Come down
I'm
here.
not ready to go on my entire life. Don't come to a pity maintain and
Come
Come
Yeah,
on, from here. Hello, come on from
You
veranda.
know what?
Take up it, lift it, two of them up. Make thing go up,
Hey,
so.
what them?
Yeah, two of them to go up.
I slide out on the answer.
Oh, this one, yeah. You know what?
me come to
Come on,
my
everyone.
maintenance. I'm not left until me get it. I'm sorry.
I'm not kind of one out. I bring him way out.
You know what? I'm left ya.
Come, go on.
Excuse.
Come here,
Come.
here. Oi!
Come dog.
No, do me man, so.
I did my man first, babe.
And then I'm my husband. Don't do that. Hush your babes. Hush. Come sit down, yes, so. Come, we need to go in it.
You don't see that?
Oi, carry the cook.
You need to come back out.
No.
No, I just come out of the car. Shani sit them say car.
Shani tell you, Shani call you. What up to?
No.
What you mean Shani still send me call her? I never call her. What kind of plan
Like
you
she
have?
see I want to say something to me or something, I don't know I talk to me
Shani
about something.
can't know whether me have something to say to you or not. Even though me really have something to say to you, but me and Shani don't want no conversation about it. Listen what me I say. You see them little skimpy belly skin blouse that when we see in some batty rider thing? Only in the yard you have to wear them.
Yeah.
You're a child. You're not big woman. And I realize say they go out on the road all about over the place. Sometimes I look for you and I cannot find you and you don't even know the area. So I don't know you catch us so much some of the yard. Eh? Why you walk up and down on the road in a them kind of clothes? They show all your belly. What wrong with you? You forgot your age?
No.
Talk to me. What is the problem?
No, I don't have a problem. I just say walk and then look and then know if play.
At least Shanice wear certain type of clothes that it make you feel like a safe.
No, Shani.
Oh, I'm going to
Where you want to know what going to talk
Me
about? Me
think
have
you
up
can't
you.
buy the food
Oh,
for the
hello. Me have up you. So you keep yourself quiet one place until me finish talk to my daughter. You understand me? Yeah. Me have to accept her as my daughter too. Because I take care of
So
her
why
when
you
I'm her
ask me up
woman.
now? Why you ask me up now? Me tell you, say me tap drink rum. I'm a tap drink rum. I'm start make some mad money. We some have a night out. Come out, you lazy. What you doing there?
Hello.
Why you so lazy? Come out. We're talking right now. You know, what she do? A man see can come in here. Cause anytime you talk, nobody tell him what to say. You got to be a woman or a man. Why I yard make your mother come from she?
I don't know.
What she do?
I don't know. I don't care.
You know?
When you came back your mother.
Mother.
And you might feel like me like her. I don't like her.
And what she do now? What she do? You? I'm my blood. She's my blood. You know my blood.
Imagine me there in a house, lie down and try sleep. Oh no, I calm yet. We not calm for a walk, keep a walk. Family reunion, she not for there, she not family.
Hold on.
Who must do be
You
family
shut for your
member?
mom. Let me chat to your sister. Are you? Hello? You ain't something there. When I have no clothes on the road. Wait till me hold you. Anyway, you see you?
You left people
Stay there.
neighbor. You know, left him neighbor. We are chopping them. We are watch people beat me.
I'm a niece.
You know, matter. I left him.
Anyway, you. What you feel like? True, because I know me and your personal mother, that means you must do as you like.
No.
Do not follow Shanice. Shanice a big woman, she 19.
Me
So
not
if she
follow
want naked on the road, that no concern you. Don't follow her.
Me not follow
Because
her, but me have
We
me
are what
wear.
naked for the road for.
You're this a different.
Hmm?
Me never said that.
We are what naked for the
You
road.
see me
Tell
want
them
you
what
keep on the
naked.
road?
Oh!
He say all the thing want what Nicky.
I don't like how you sound jealous, you know.
No, I'm not jealous, not jealous. Remember, see,
Over your
me,
stepdaughter, move. You, get a grip of yourself. I don't like the clothes them when you wear.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be careful like man them on the road. You have to dress properly.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say?
Clap
I
it to
notice
back.
when time they talk to you, you depend. And Shanice this, and Shanice, and I ring up like your room, no bother with it. You hear what me say? Have manners.
Come out of my face now.
One inside when me talk to Shanice. One in. Because I know everything more you feel here. I know where you call your mom up on phone and I tell her, say, you come back around and fuck me have you before me bust your belly.
You already both said it a while ago.
All you me notice you gonna tailor and take in for your pants. I show a girl and their dance and party. I want to you.
No,
Tight pants,
no,
tight up
young,
clothes.
no,
The big man
man.
like you. What kind of tight pants you they wear? And they wear your pants down here so with underpants out the door. A sound dress?
Oh, no.
God knows a mistake me make when time me come there with your papa.
You know, so I'm buying pants at home and it pop out the one.
Say me give you one son. I say you gonna make your son come dress?
No.
Pants down here so?
No.
Underpants they show there so? No belt?
No.
That's why you
My
see
son
all you.
soon bad.
I notice for other days you're now whining
Which
right.
son?
No, me mean the son soon bad.
You're not whining right way again like when few years ago when me just meet you. Because nowadays me notice say you are wear pants without belt. Pants down there so no belt not the same. I know say if you hold your waist. Because your balls restrained. Oh, you want
How
bingy?
can you talk
Anytime
in
you
children
get
doing
bingy
something?
balls. You are big old tough skin girl and I see me
Who
running
want
me
go
picnic.
back in go
You
lie
see
down,
anytime you
man?
get bingy balls, me done with you.
No,
Okay. No bingy balls around here. You see you? You think me not hear what you do out the road?
Again?
You think say me not hear what you do with the girl?
Again?
Know yourself, one little bird that grow on with one little news and me kinda hear me not hear so good but me just a wait. Me hear see you breathe back you see him dirty girl. But if you think say so it a go, a hell and powder house in when me done with you. Cause every ear off of your front a burn me a burn them off.
I try breathe that.
Okay?
Who?
Yeah, I try breathe.
With who?
How can I mix up? Where you chat there?
Yeah,
Trey, where? See me daughter, baby father.
yeah.
I lie you tell move.
No, you breathe. You never can do it.
Son of Trey, breed my daughter Shanice. You don't know.
No.
So now you did tell me say you're big and stink out the road say Trey breed Shanice. So how you don't know now? Be careful, me not trust you now. Me not trust you now. Because you cannot control that, me not trust you.
No, you not trust me. You know, be yourself. You see things and be yourself. A long time you not see nothing. Later, yeah? Shanice.
Don't talk to me.
Later, go bring where you want.
No.
Where you come take time and back up. When you come here so me smell woman pan you. Me smell woman pan you.
Go bring the ring.
Yes, me smell woman pan you. Woman ring?
Where?
But you stinky? So me ring?
No, me never see that baby. Me say me not smell ring.
Tell us me smell woman pan you can't chat about you no ring. What
No,
that mean?
cause one time I go to pan them, I know say they skirt.
What skirt?
They skirt.
Go on, copy you. You see you? Me can't wait. Go on, cause you're an idiot, you know. Go on, where they go?
Shanice, they want her, where you want for?
You know, some of them notice a friend that every minute you come in and ask someone want to ask
Ah,
Shanice
baby,
what she
where
want.
you want,
And first of all, they tell me, say, Trey, breed Shanice. Someone want to know how Trey now call ask Shanice. What she want, and you they ask Shanice.
No, me know I'm a
I
step.
sit in and say,
Me know I'm a step grandson.
Me know your step rich grandrich son.
My step grandson and really.
Yeah, me know. But you not act like that.
Alright, listen, yeah?
You just come and you want to come out of the yard. Go on in the house, go be it, man. Fresh up yourself.
I come upstairs and Marsha called, so when I don't talk to you, go to Marsha.
Jesus Christ.
You know, send me have you up.
I cooked me there with her.
Yeah, my mother, you come like you treat the fat old woman pitney better than me. And when she a come back for her baggage.
Shanice, right now, me no.
When she a come back for her baggage, she not tap nyam down the place like she a chichi. Her mother never feed her. Look how her mother big and fat and swat. Her mother can't feed her.
Understand, say the little girl have worm. Worm.
Inga flush them.
No, she have hookworm, so me have to go doctor with her and make them give me one prescription and me go a pharmacy.
Me in the house and me dey try sleep. I pay me hear you and her out. How kind of sweet conversation and her out there?
I know you we are talking about. We are talking about her dirty mama. And she would tell me her mother never much flour and one if and one whole of chicken and no gear.
Yeah, my mother like so she name all 20 pound of flour.
I don't want to talk about she again in no correct. No, me want argument a grown about she again and me man. And he now go pretty this time.
Which man?
No, Papa. You
Hello,
know your
man.
story we are growing.
How grown?
How the girl breed again and say for Papa. It look like you deaf sitting wrong with you. What that me did that talk about out here too.
Maybe true, she see the house, she think money they bought now.
I know.
Can't bother, she need to come for her baggage. Can't not tap them down the place.
Go on in. You can't bother me no made that take me right now. You can't bother.
Yeah. Yeah. I know no.
After me not hide, but they tell us me hide. Plus me tell her up front, say I'm a baby father. What is your problem?
Baby father, well, you sure
What
input
is
in
your...
there. You sure say no one that man. You see you girl. I don't know do a girl and use belly.
Mr. Papa is
Me not even
sir.
sure it's a picnic of that. Picnic there? No.
Mr. Papa is sir. Me know who breed.
No.
Me know who breed me.
Some of the young girl not even know who breeding. No. Some man not even know take man like when time nail a take board. Oh no.
Why you a take woman like how house a take nail?
Yeah. Man, I'm gonna teach you something. We're not gonna learn. You see, we man, we're going forever cheat. No matter if we're married to you, we're going forever cheat. Come and tell you why.
I'm gonna tell her why.
I only make we cheat. Woman like I only make we cheat.
Because men are dogs.
Well, welcome to the animal ground.
Me no want to
Listen
stay
me
here
now.
with you. What is your problem?
We're dog, yes. And we are going forever. Do what we shall do. Cheat. Because guess what? We think they will not do the same thing too. Because you see, woman worse than a man. When you not cheat, we can't know. Because you move like a puss. You ever see two puss having sex yet?
Well, me no move like pussy. So I know what me move like. Want know what me move like? Me go risk my case. Me I can't go about my business. You alright?
Listen you.
Bye.
You only have the shape but not the style.
Thank you.
That's all you have. I mean, there's a big old swatty one there go. And where you come? How are you? Why you follow me up? Why you follow me up?
Me not see you. I swear me not see you.
Why you follow me up?
Me not done get one more from you already. What your problem? What you they follow me up for?
You know,
Every evening you reach up for me and I beg me. Trying to me chatting up.
me go a courthouse. I'm gonna sue you.
So me fi what? Fi mind a pity?
No, sue you for thief me sperm and put in a yup. You're a wicked.
Jesus.
You can't believe it.
So how me TV? And every day you still as a matter of fact, me forget to tell you. You have another one for New Year.
Another one. When? Oh.
You forget
Where?
3 weeks ago?
Oh.
You
When?
forget?
Where?
You forget?
Oh.
After me and you left your woman yard, instead of you go and walk, where you find? No me yard, no back of me you come.
Yeah, me follow back of you, yes.
Hey, whisper, what we gonna do?
Me don't know after.
Well, 1, 2, 3, here it comes. You breed me again.
You dash it away.
That's where what?
You go dash it
I
away.
never see that road there before.
Come
I'm
in.
in a plan to see it now.
Me never the Lego no more sperm after. Cause this a sperm count is low.
Ah!
Doctor says
Well,
low.
it
So-
catch me. Me pregnant, so I don't know where you are
How
going
you
about
want?
it.
You want offering money now?
Offering with money. Child support must run, and your baby mother or your so-called woman, Cherry, I gonna know about it. So this time that one I go hiding out, I go brawling.
You know, so sometimes you feel like some man mad. Why you can't lock your front that kind of time back tight and keep top open up like a clothespin?
And why you can't tie up your bottom foot and tap fling it everywhere. Everywhere I go, me hear about you. Why problem? You come and talk about me. Lock up, tie up that, put in a one satis cage. And talk worry about me. And make sure see your man pay me and I'm not talking. If you don't want your woman know, if you don't want your woman know, run the funds. But then I'm not talking with you.
You take
Goodbye.
time, man. I don't know which one at the back of them your favor.
Fire.
Because it's surely not Coca-Cola back. I want to see a lampshade.
You still a run down the lampshade.
How will you go over there so they go? Me not trust my friend over there, so.
You're lucky.
I can't like that. Lord of God, one place. Why? Why? Eh?
Hello? Jesus Christ, for me,
No, back up. When you make up, me always lose my pocket.
Oh, you lose your
Me don't
pocket.
know, you always pick me.
Me not pick you, give me a hug
No. What you want? You hungry?
now. No, me shutting up. Give me a hug.
You hungry?
Give me a money then.
I'm so glad you missed my while ago.
Me know that big fat powder there right so.
Huh?
Me say big fat powder right so.
Oh.
Because I am GPS. I know where everybody there. Oh, where she gone?
I'm gone over my friend yard.
Over chair yard?
Yeah. You know what's a cherry breeder? 3 weeks.
Cherry?
Yeah, man, so you can make cherry know what she a breed for cherry.
Me I gotta tell Cherry and everybody everything, but don't make me have to tell Cherry say you breed. Give me your money. Or data. Cause you can't do that. Our money me I look.
You know that again.
Me know say
Oh,
take time and talk. So
you're gone back
true,
for me again.
So true, you couldn't breed Cherry, you breed the data.
Well, you know,
Oh, we go.
she
She trick you?
she wait till her mother gone and she open up like a clothespin and told me see the little fat apple and me just feel like she just picky and the picky wrong
So
way.
you not tell Cherry say you breed our woman.
No, him breed my woman.
Who?
Yeah, that one, the little young crook, one that look like he mash up sometimes.
The one remember to catch my one time?
Yeah.
How is she a long time? I don't see she.
He just got on the road.
Yes.
But why you have tax me that a tax? You know something.
And I know tax. If anybody open up a business in front of me, would know come.
You know something could have carry gas station?
Can you station for what?
If you walk around and carry on fast news.
Me never work kind of fast news.
You have proof that me breeder.
Me have evidence. Me eye them, me see you through the window. Anytime nothing happen, me don't know me just end up there. So you can't tell me say a lie, me I tell.
Show me evidence.
Show you evidence?
Yeah.
Me eye, me see, me too eye, me soon.
No, that can't go quote us.
Me not need to go quote it. All I need to do is tell Miss Cherry, and Miss Cherry will believe me.
Yeah, man.
Right. You know, make me talk too long. And me make sure do DNA too. What's the evidence that?
And so you come down?
Yeah.
And for me feed you?
Look how long me not come here yard.
And for me close you?
Look how long me come here yard. So anyways, where your daughter then? Your biological daughter we have with the big woman.
You over there.
You want to take her up?
Well, Cherry, you know, I'm give it. You know, his mother no money cause you know, too big and lazy and slowly. He eat too much cheese. And sometimes, not to the 3 weeks ago, you know, when me up her yard, you know. And I really say at them, me go there with her up there, you know.
Okay.
Me go look for me youth.
Oh.
3 weeks ago, me go look for me youth, right?
Yeah.
And me go in the house. And by the time I could have said, hey, she let go of fat. Yeah, I tell you. Kayla girl? Oh, that the fat there. Me I tell you, me did have gastroenteritis. No laugh. When she poop, me not have no more gastroenteritis.
I can't go about my business.
Eh?
I can't go about my
Where I
business.
go?
I go down for everyone.
I know over here, there I go.
No, me not go over there. Jesus Christ, me not go over there.
No go over there, yeah?
All right.
That make you do. If you
Yeah.
go over there, keep your mouth shut.
Okay.
All right.
Miss Sherry! Shanice! Miss Sherry! Shanice!
It's what?
You don't hear me the call how long?
No, me never hear. Me is in my house, you know.
Come here. And something come over here, I beg.
What?
Some butter.
No butter done today, butter just done this morning.
How you feel give me attitude?
Because I just saw me talk.
I see you talk.
Yeah.
You make a solid talk there?
Yeah.
You don't say that, man. Me don't know where your mother get you from. Where your mother get you from?
Out and belly.
Out her belly.
Yeah.
You should say out her belly, your job true. You not know, man, you just look a bit and ring.
And my yard now, so the reason why me a cheater, so you remember I did when did up there, so you can me come down and this I see me other. Then I can me back go put me back right up there, so.
Then me dey pick up your from, so then me dey
So-
left you.
So,
And then me dey left you.
so,
And then me dey go left you.
you should tell me, see what get the grass, both your business and make me go back on my yard. I don't, so my yard.
So that have your power making all me look butter come in
Yes,
butter
but
in
no
there.
butter though in there.
To me, you see, Papa and Miss Cherry, that house are ever full of food to eat. No miss
It's
no
full of
diet.
food, but the butter done. I did one stick of butter left.
I want to stick a butter left.
Yes.
One stick a butter left. Okay. One stick a butter left.
Yeah.
One stick a butter left. And where they now?
So in the kitchen, in my fridge.
Go on for.
Come if you go on for. Me can't go in one stick of butter where then go buy some fat.
Then I know. Go on for.
Then go no because I hit go use cook. Me
Go
can't
on
give.
for home.
No. Can't give.
You could pick me. No send me send out here.
You send me out and me don't have to go and my yard.
Sit to me. Come. Go on me send you. Go on
No,
and
me
me
not go.
Asha! My girl, one of the houses stick a butter.
Me not go in.
What's up, man? One of the houses stick a butter. I'm show you, say me bigger
Girl,
than
me
you.
can't take out the people them butter give you.
Me bigger than you. You're really pity for me. And you not put them
Oh,
But
you
stick a
chew your
butter.
piece and me sharing the day.
Go on,
Can't
stick
lick
a
me.
butter.
Alright, me gonna tell me mother. Don't worry.
But tell them what your mother can do. Your mother can't beat me, not because your mother big. Your mother can't beat me. We done your mother. I saw a black one in your sleeve. I'm not going to buy this. Nobody say me have teeth. Because me not teeth.
How are you that where you they come from that?
That is none of your business. How you want to know?
Because we see they come from that.
Hey.
Run to the room, come up here.
What you they do up here? Now don't your father is supposed to do.
Oh, you know the big, tall maga something.
Who?
The maga girl will love carrying news. She.
That I black one with the bird.
Yes, with the
Eh,
short
what
bread and
happened?
the ketchup back way.
What happened? Who business in going on now?
She don't really gonna know by business. She can't lick me that me come to.
In the what?
Lick me.
Me not hear a good. Drop your father is
I
that?
said she lick me.
Feel me pitney?
Yes.
Hurry yourself, baby. You know say that I was sorted out, right?
Yeah, me know.
Hurry yourself. So you tell nobody else and lick you?
No, me make sure me come tell her cause
So what
nobody
about
else
you, man,
know
we
did
down
it.
there?
She don't did it, she gone, she.
Oh, so she come pick up big lick by you, like saying,
Yes.
you know where you come
Me lick her
from.
back on, but she lick me again and
It
say
no matter.
this and that.
Me a start her road. Go on down.
Okay.
Hey. I go find the road now. Eh? I'm betting I check. I'll try to give you some papers.
Alright, go on.
You can go. Alright, baby. Alright, bring back something here. Then we can go in the sleep. Okay, alright. So come back.
Oh, she just asleep. Oh, some of them know you could sleep. I think they got other man for that too. Then after your time, my man, you should have got other man for yourself then time. How I go there, so? How does she? No. Me post me clue. And as she said she dead. Are you come here? Where you go? Swoop from.
Me didn't know. Get up. Only you want to look at her too. Yeah, look at her too. No, that now go on your so. Get up and stop the pranking, Pinky man. Yeah, look at her. Me I go tell Che. Che can't get the money want the woman. Come Pinky, get up and stop the pranking. So she sleep dead. Get up now. She not breed. You murder her. I mean, they go
You
chat.
did see me?
Me know say you.
Me say you did see me.
Listen to me, tell you this. My GPS, it a work, you know,
You know, work
malfunction.
now with a malfunction because I know me.
Me come across
It wasn't me.
Watch it. Chena there, and you there. Jesus Christ. And
Help
me
me
never
move
like
her
her.
body.
Help her move what? Me never shall touch me get something wipe off. me
Why
finger
you wipe
clean.
it on my clothes?
What happened?
Oh,
So I couldn't say my woman asleep. Me tell him to go in and him asleep or so. Babes. Babes. So make you now wake up.
she murder.
I know me, yeah?
And she.
And Trish.
Where murder her for?
I know me.
So,
Shanice never over here.
Because when she kill her, she run off.
I would me left my phone now. I call police.
Call police. Let me take for myself.
Oh, my phone there.
Me tell you, sir, you have to go repent, but you are not here.
Come here, you kill me. Are you murder him?
No, you don't feel much, but you don't feel like something lift off of your head.
You murder me. Me murder you.
And the woman that you turn up. Wake up, open up your eye.
I couldn't do this.
You don't feel better now.
Who do this?
Who do what?
Who murder him?
You don't remember say the dash with Pinky, you know? When they came back some sense, you don't remember nothing.
Yeah, but why is it? Let me move her.
What?
Let me move her now.
People move what?
Let me move her out.
When people move your body, people go say me and you murder.
Right, but take it. You go chair him and Bunny.
Move the chair, me move the chair, but not the body. Where would they put it?
What? No Bunny, like a Bunny.
What the body?
Yeah.
You don't call my name, you know?
No.
It's me that go chat to your man that week.
Yeah, listen. You go through first.
No yet. I'm put on my flip flop.
Why your channel do have to see a mix up, you know?
Yeah, man, come with the body.
Hello.
Come. Cause you know, understand how you say. You never go bond the chair with the body, you go bond the chair with the body.
Which body? What the fuck we are doing with my chair, Kayla?
Oh,
Why you have me?
Jesus.
Why you make it there with my chair?
Lord Jesus, why your head couldn't come back when the body in the chair?
Which body?
Which body? Alright, know yourself, and my body in the chair. Come. My body did in there.
So, I don't understand why me and you have chair in a honor.
You go fix it.
Huh?
If you go fix it.
Oh, me go fix it?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't want bad headache, you know.
I am Olivia.
Eh?
I am Olivia.
I'm here alone, liver.
Alright. Check it back tomorrow, look for you.
And the food you come for?
Yeah, food. Me
So
get
nobody
food.
want the food?
No, nobody want food right now. My belly well full. You just sit down and don't move.
You come back?
Yeah, tomorrow me have to come back for food.
Oh, alright, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Son. My head again. Let's not lay down. No. Me alright. Yes.
Chinese! Well, me have business with a lot of bacteria this morning.
What happened up there?
Say, good news and bad for me to do. No what there?
People, them hungry belly, people, them chop off there.
She say,
Me never know, me never care.
alright.
Tell me.
Must say, Pinky dead. Guess who killed Pinky? Who? Me say, I the one Amanda killed Pinky.
Oh.
And I tell me, yeah, yo. What you, yes, she tell me say what you when me go up there now. And you me see, and she, so the girl kill Pinky. Me say, me gonna go see Pinky lie down so. Kill me dead say.
So she did in a real life?
Me say, when me say, dead me meaning murder. Me just
Dead. Like,
Dead.
unalive?
Hannah life don't know nothing no did there. Me I tell her say no. You say me go there, me think say I prank Pinky, I prank me. Think say she did that look Pinky true, she can't get trick. I'ma say Trey crazy in love with Pinky, you know. Crazy in love with Pinky.
How should I news this? The bad one?
And no
Tell
what's the
me
bad
good
news?
one now.
No what's the bad news?
Taki good one now, no?
Which good one? Who much shows it there?
You say you have good news and bad news.
You got the yes, the bad news, Pinky dead, the good news, she dead and can't get back Shay. What man, tell us something. You know, situation since come back.
Can come back?
Yes, he
You know-
remember you.
You know,
Yes! Come here. I say he know you.
Everybody know?
You know everybody can know me too. Me
More.
have to know me.
Me want know what Pinky do. Cause me want do it too, you know.
I think it.
Fi make him see she alone. He ain't know me when Pinky alive.
So that true Pinky something they good and you're in the function right.
You the boss off in me.
I'm breathing. But you know, me know say I know try breathing.
Talk too much later. Glad to tell me.
Alright.
Me happy to tell me news to him. Soon go check him.
You know my food in there.
No, your house empty.
Okay.
Your message ain't ever come with a cause. If you belly your yard, man. Come to think about it. I'm gonna see if I true. Yes, the right person I want to see. Hello, are you be a talking? Oh yeah. You deal with this something? What's something? Listen. Me left you up there if you take care of it. I'm here talk. Anyways, you see, if you make Taylor call up my name and my name starts spread around the whole community, see me murder Kinky, it's a day like today can go find a yard. You know where me live, darling, there, secondly, where you do my man yard. Anybody come in between me and the little black something there, I go dead. And if you want try me, you try me, because you'll be next. Me, I have to tell you, so me not stop take him. That me have to tell him, I'm gone. Bye.
It's alright, just to make sure that's still in a fast.
No, then I choke you at that talk.
Shanice,
Oh, yeah, there to somebody here.
I don't know ask you no long me no see you.
You know, every day I come over here, you had me stay a string bean and she not tap run me.
We string bean.
Pinky!
Pinky, the last time me see you, when you tell me to pop up Pinky and making go about in business. But the last time I see you and me see Pinky.
Hi, woman. How happened? Wait me back. No, me I don't come from your house. Why problem?
I'm the mother this one.
Your mother is bad.
I'm
You
dead,
know
man.
if that, you know if you breed her? And that you have to look more.
Where you get that cover from?
Go away, girl. Which one is sexy like this? You're crazy.
No, me not really want sexy like a
Yo,
you look
wait.
like a 3 times a day.
And that's the something up my nice to not make you hold on.
Like a 3 got you have in front of you.
No, you talk to me. What go on?
Hold on, pan this.
Don't touch my man.
Make
girl.
sure you know something now.
I'm the mother and I'm the mother.
You know if I feel me one last
What you talk about? What you talk about?
No,
Where?
I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Yeah! Me not miss a one, yeah! Me not miss a one, yeah!
How will you do your so?
Oi!
How will you look for?
Who if you beat? I see you for beat that me.
After you care, you
don't
go
see
to
the
kill me over me.
Yeah.
Come,
Come
big
take
up,
for the
come!
father when me have. You
Come
want
here.
to take for me baby father too? Girl, how will you come here for do? How will you come here for do?
Trey,
Problem.
angle this now.
You better
I'm
you go
gonna-
on. You better you go on. God knows. You can't go work.
You better make one. My suit or something. You girl I must buck you.
Don't book me. Remember, say penny live, which part me live, I go make sure
Girl,
they're
come
hungry.
here, mash up your head and I'm afraid of you, you know.
Come now.
How you do right so?
Girl,
I come and go you know.
girl, I come in, come. You say you're a beat up girl for your man. I saw you for beat up girl. Right. Right.
You know.
You're in
Beat him. You're not change.
I went there get the pitney pension.
Wait till
Wait there get the pitney
I'm
pension.
going business first, not kill and mix up. Come go.
No, right to someone talk.
I mean,
Over 2 weeks. No, me
tell
not
us to
see
go
you.
about in business.
What go on around the yard? Who run there?
Okay, go on.
Me not get the pitney pension.
Nobody- Come.
Me not get the pitney pension. Like how fuck me.
See, girl, who you call girl? You. How much you put me and you on the side?
Me
How
and
much
you
I want to
must- Aye.
What wrong with you?
Relax.
What the problem now?
What kind of style is here?
Sash, you, she lick you.
Yes. Oh, she did brave. You know, see, my fitness this year. You know where she come from.
Don't you ever join
You know her background. You know nothing about me fitness. You come back and put your hand on him.
She not have no man at. Watch out.
Lick him back.
Girl,
Lick again, us.
Whoever walk to your mother.
That works.
No make your mother walk left you. Me la thumb back and go my you, cause me can't bother.